Podofo me makwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumedie we eye nkranhyesem. Me amete dwam amede ho chia me ya osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Utimi fra me Nita Kotego tiawa kebe me de. Ho ye de me da ase. Ene so me koso ameka o neoma abetima ye na why the best person in the world. You see, the truth is that your version of yourself is unique. The version you have as you, you are not the same as the head of your family. You're not the same as your mom and your dad. You are different from your mother and your father. You are different from your friends. In fact, you are different from anyone in the world. So don't give on to the temptation of trying to compare yourself with others. Remember to define yourself by your own personal values. You are different. You are different and unique. We are shrunko. We demufua. Jitumu se we no mama nse no papa nse. Oni obi nse. We are different. Tize ujina enyoma different so to become different in this world. You were made to impact life. You're not made to just pass through life. Yeah, more say before you are say 1 year, 2 years, 3rd birthday, 4th birthday, 20th birthday, Debbie. Now we do birthday, Debbie. Every year of your life, you need to do something that will impact on you and impact on life of others. It could be the life of your family. It could be the life of your spouse and your children. It could be the life of your community or your nation. But at least every year, find out what you've done that has impacted or influenced the life of others positively. That's why you were made. Adechi bia, adesen bia, nawotwe bia, busumi bia, afi bia, onyame bo se wa brabo, wakasa na one ye, se ekenya obi eye die, se ye busua mu, se ya wade mu okuna na oyira na wo ho, se ye wo mma, se ye bro no ateso, se ye oman, eye bisa ho. Nye se owa akwenya se wodi oman so keke, na emom se wo ye oman pani, se wo ye obi a wo som oman fo, se wo ye ohene. Say we are sereni, say nurse, doctor, ni, churchill ni, say employer journalist. Can you find out what one thing you can do that will impact the lives of others positively? Say we are kunu, say we are ire, say we are ja, say we are na, say we are branty, say we are babawa. What one thing can you do that will impact the life of others positively? That will let you be a different person amongst the lot. That is why you were made. You were made to be different. You were made to influence life in a positive manner. So what in America? So who say no? Ube pa kandie. No apenyansa, no apekasa, no apenye ne ya bede na edi a bema obi kra. Ni su ene ban agadi na to yie. Bible no kire me say osefo ne de wo bae se obeden obewia no akum na wasei. Na me de me bae se me ma wonkwa ani awiye osefo na adwen na ayi owuo seye ene kro no wonya osefo no wo yo nyame ensa no adwuma ento de wo ba se wonkwa. You need to impact people with life and comfort. You need to make sure say obi abrabo asiye yes obeche nipa ne sika ensemo abeka bibi abeka nipa no suba ho ene bi abede na die. Something that you can do or say to impact or influence life is why you were made. To be your best self is not to do the same thing over and over again. Every year has its own challenges. Every new day comes with its own threats and demands. Ask yourself, what am I required to do today better than yesterday to make my life better and the life of others better? A day na metimi ayo na me tie program bi na papa bi yesi efe no Kwame Ghana se hwan adwuma menim no wo se obefa Georg ɔse ɔfrɛ akwasamba for factory ɔse kɔhwɛ aba for factory kyɛ sɛ nsanom ɔno de adwuma yɛde hyɛ ne nsa sɛ wɔnyɛ nsama Ghana Giok distilleries ɔfɛ adwuma na adwuma na tete apansam no ne adwumayɛfoɔ no ka bɔ mu ɛmɛnɛ wagye adwuma na siwo a sese wɔne de nsa ɛkɔ ama no ne by the singular act of one man he has been able to transform Giok distilleries into a productive venture the subai na metie me ne gye papa no ho minim so politician a em se no ye KM for boss answer ye fa na se o ma adwuma no anko bi akọ se me minister na ye fra me honorable o se o de mo mfa ensanom fo adwuma nhye mensa na menya nsa mankrofo papa yi atintim apenyansa suban ne ye ama Giok distilleries woni atintim eye adwuma pa emenne Ghana nsa be kwa ma no ne oni papa akopɛ suban sakra no mem na wo so bia wo adwuma no suban ben wo fie kura atimo kura suban ode na die kura mfata wo yire ne wo kuru kura ne tie kura suban ode na die ka mpɛsɛ abontene ɛna ne agya no wonte hwɛ suban ode na die bro no ada so no hwɛ suban ode na die adwuma a wo mu kura no suban ben na ade na die o man a wo sum no suban ben. Can you tell yourself boldly that from today I will make sure that my words and my life, my actions will impact others positively? Many years me kasa me hwɛ sɛ obi benya so mfaso. Many years me kasa me hwɛ sɛ ebe sombo ama obi so anya ne ho fa hodie. Ama obi so ani agye, ama obi so atumpon. Many years me kasa ne me suban. Kwan ben so na mede na di a ede mfaso be bremie na ma obi so atɔ no. Na me nkoyo obonsam a me nam a me sei me kum ne ba wia. Onyame hu mɔbɔ wate. Onyame hwɛ wo wate. Onyame nkura wo no ma suban pa. Onyame nkura wo no ma osusuye pa. Onyame nkura wo no ma kasapa. Ene ne ye pa enkura wo ɔman mu. Me ka wo utie me no enya wo nko. Ɔman be bia ka kyerɛ sɛ be sɛ na da ekoi. You were made to be different. How can you make your life to impact on others positively in whatever position you find yourself? Oh, you're software. Ekrofo ebo asore no. E die nti na wasa asore dan ya, waje o mato asore dem wo. So betwa wom, so be de wom. Ana wo de on ko nkwagye mu. Na wo hunu papa yo na emponya nkwagye. Etoje waran kasa. Ade bi a wo yo no. How are you impacting on others? Uko asore, uko mosque. Why are you worshiping God? It is for you to have a godly nature to impact on others. What do I say? So TV, so radio, so the way piano. It is meant to impact on others positively. Not what that's wrong. Mejidi say na dem no akasa. Ahana meja wo. Bedwa madwuma de na ekoso anesa. Na meja we na meja no say ask yourself just one question today. What can I make today to become different in my life, in the life of others? I didn't know to my next na ma brabo aso obi ani na de mfaso abre obi eneso so onyame nka ho onyame nhira ho onyame mo abaso wo mpega odwumadi a wodie mu na woni onyame entena ediam jeso eni ni tekodego mame na me nua Thomas me namesake on the camera na me nko floor manager ho na me na MCA na me na osmosis ase or sound na me na Randolph na Eja Webek and Pedroase when I'm a producers madam nyina ase wa
nkranhye sem ne afutusem wa wie de adruso no ye bedwam so kase ensem wa beti anope no ebi enese Institute of ICT wuchemu a oye nchechire shronko sebeya wono mu epesi osuansa no djuma no obehuno eso mfaso sanso ro ti mantem no ko hono mu a dumje adwuma ko ho mu mpanifo chiremu a se de jahweremhra ma ne ho mene so e wonto asosu ko ahodo mu ne ha dwen pa na wokɔ afutu nso akwaye dɔtɔ ba akwaye da wabeto dwa sɛ de fulani fo na mu odu ba bia no asogya no anu aduane no agya ne ho hyehye kwaye no nnua ewo mu nyina ma ɛha adwen pa school placement no mpanimfo biem sɛ obetima self placement ama wo ba no na watwe mu ne abatan bi still no awani atutu aka wonsɛm wei ɛne nsɛm ahodo bi nam de so mo sɛ bedwam so kase bo hyɛ no so sɛ de mu live ɛwɔ Facebook no YouTube DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 178 nsɛmpɛ obenya bi na wahwɛ na me a mekenkan ama wo no Wushia me a frame ano chiwapa atwa se wa fenche mo no me de to so ma Institute of ICT Professionals Ghana emumpedin for the nsem wahodo atudwa no wo se wo mo ye first ron kokra we ye dwa no wobo ya wo no mo asuansa no dwuma na wafira se nsutire bia ne ne memo ye de ama wo mo so e bia ya de kase ye to my Ghana ya hwete wo musika ma sese no wo pa won to ma wo hu asene wo ne nyina sa afa yi wo bepiem wo ho no mo achese nkyerkyere sonko na wo mo ye sabe obi a wafansa no dwuma tete amanfo na so wo ye dididi bia no obehu mfa so de ya e wo so executive director ede Emma Institute of Professionals Ghana David Gowu na woni adom kase ya twetwe nkomo sei.
So it's a good platform. Now our young entrepreneurs must deploy technology in their business, and we are here as Institute of ICT Professionals to support them, to give them guidance, to give them mentors that can help them to do that. Moreover, we also think that government needs to support them. I know government has some initiatives, but we need more support. Create technology parks where they can come, have their laptops, and be able to work. That can help them, develop their ideas into businesses.
Enwechi and the Director General Yawoda National Information Technology Agency ano Ura Richard Ochefosu editu just say abanye de betimi bia sebe ya obetete emabunu no ewo abefu dwumedie eso ogidi ye say sa kwan no so betimi aboa amabunu no anya adwuma aye.
And then also offer internships. All right, we run the government ICT infrastructure, the National Data Center, where we are putting in public cloud service. So if you're an entrepreneur and you don't have money to go and buy servers and the capital expenditure that it involves for you to be able to set up, you can come and rent space like compute and storage from the National Data Center, and you'll be able to get going.
Yanko oti mantem no emu adwumekwa ya pass wo hwedum gya ho nsem so no wo mu chemu ase de gya hurumhura ma no homene so oti mantem mo afi mu no ha adwen pa ne senti wakeka wo ho abom ne ku ya wo frɛ wo se Certified Electrical Wiring Professional Association wo mu tumi aye nkyerkyere sonko ama ye abanjuma yefo a wo ye adwuma wire sabia hodo mu na afi so adesuafo ne akyerkyerefo won won to asosu kwa hodo wo ti mantem mu na adom kase any ACFO2 Prince Billy Anaglate ono ko ti mantem ne mu a wo ye dum gya adwumako no sahene twetwe nkomo sei.
Their eyes to be able to identify a looming hazard within their premises, to be able to monitor the activities of others in whatever they are doing. That could be dangerous or could cause fire within there. Then they will be able to have mitigating facilities to prevent those fires that occur. We have also gone in to give them evacuation procedures that in case there is fire in there, somebody should assist those other people that could not get evacuated on their own. That is why we're giving those skills to them and to give them the firefighting skill.
Odi to just say, enam so wo mo pese eja hyehye ebrase e wo mpatemu ho no. Wo de nkyerkyere ama mpenifo e wo ayaresabia ene ekuo ahodo a e wo mpatemu ho no. Se ne wo de bekuotia eja hyehye e wo mpatemu ho.
Fighting fire with an extinguisher. If you don't try your hands on it, when the real fire is not there, when the real fire comes, you will not be able to gather the confidence, the impetus, and the basic knowledge that you need to be able to use it and use it properly. You might have a very good fire extinguisher, but when it's not properly handled, then you might not be able to extinguish the fire. That could also jeopardize whatever situation that you are in.
Hona yenko efutu no mahina wo efutu neni gate ya wotoso enso wapao eye afimpiri ne aduonu miensa abo akira fashe no eho ntoma na ba ne sa ya na amrante wo krom otisi kwayedoto mu na kwa akokira abo ato konkon no wo de na ba no no odidi abo akira fashe no na wabra opa ho ntoma no ena neni gate wotoso nso den samutu dwa so we say the fulani fo wo mo atiesi efutu kwayedoto ampanifo di gya nchirima no na wo se no no a ha dwempa wo so bekum kwabrane na mo a komode no anu asoja babo pesi ade awi obi agya no wonu mu bo ase gya dem na kwaye ne fa baabi ehye nti wadi adesrede atompanifo nyina nim se won hwe na saade no wontwe won ho hwe ho
otika epowi a yakoko hwe aboate befiem enkrofo ahihye ho nantwi anantuma manum ayeho ma ɔnsɛ mfatafo dɛ yɛbɛfrɛ no pɔ tree planting na ɔdɛ yɛkɔ no yɛyaa na hɔ no ɔkɔ ne dadawu yɛsrɛ dɛ ɔyɛ nsutɔ wɔ ha na nsuo a na wɔatwa yɛn si na ha pawe yi na nsuo no ɔtɔ yi a dwumadi bi a yɛdi bi ɔbɛyɛ yi.
Osan so editor ne manfo anim se ansa na afahye ne beba ebra afahye ne bekɔ so ɛne afahye ne wie nyina no de wɔpa ɛyɛ asomdwie enti ɔmanfo ɛmoa no
bibiara o ma fa ɔde wɔyɛ biara no wɔyɛ ne yi na ɔfa akoyɛ na ma yɛmfa etim na aka biara mba dwumadi ne mu na ɔbɛyɛ a afahye no ɔbɛyɛ fɛ ɔbɛyɛ yigi obi aso baba kuma so wenya na yiji na ojasana
enkwa asante mantema henko kumase mu na ukopie mu okrofo mu a lorry station baako ewo ho na ye wo mu amulodi free kumase kobologa boko Congo emo na chese wodi sa adwuma yi na wokyerɛ mu a sɛde ɔmanfo bi tetete kwa ho sesa ɔmanfo a wɔde wo mu tu kwan kɔ bea ya wo mu ati station na nko lodi di akɔ ama wo mu dwa ayɛ basa betima kosim fra no pa na se wonya load kwa na se bi wo movie na wo de akwa akosi omanfo san se nkrofo gyinagyina kwa ho bɔ wawa e de kɔ sampotem ho no mo na adom kase bɔ ne homoden ne opanyina wɔ no ye GPRTU Krofrom branch no titinani Alhaji Siaka Yaha etwetwe nkombo na opanyi ya kyerɛ se ukɔfro hyan bi gyina kwa ho se be wi ase bonso mo ba na omani atutu akɔ mo nsɛm na se do ne adom kase etwetwe nkombo ne
the Kabolga Boku are cool from your main station parents or ne, but the Sam say the Jumana conform, and I'm saying, says in Bibri, I'm more be says in Bibri. A Jumana S-time. I Jumana Bibri, Travis Phone Bibri, China, Quina, no, I'm going to question him. And I said, Mr. Baby, Bibri, Hamun Drubi, and Nipani call. Nipani Bibituna, net over the Pano, and they can't get a corner of Panipano. Okukuno, where they young. Lord no Mondoro are affected because they're comforting me about seeing no more for moments. I could see what coin no more bressa.
GPRTU Krofrom branch chairman Alhaji Siaka Yahaya editu dwase wo mutu ho anamon bebre edi afasa nsem yu nanso no bibia empie mu emaye
station kosire tre na tre northern region ye yi wo mu nyina se yemra Krofrom esrem ba bi opese okobia oba ha ka ho a de wo ko kuro afiri so amra na ma so ko keti ho nyina ye de ka sisi kwan ho ene elodo ka ho asem aka ene patrol share ho nyina ye station Ghana mra so nche se yemfa ka no ensi patrol share nlodu bi se yo no bi besi wo na sa pasen afọ bata ne ma egu a de na beba aso ba yi fo okuro no bu ye ni egu so ene ba bi obi a pe bia na o de ka asi
Free Brabi si adusuafo no empanifo kyerɛ schools ahodo a wɔnkɔ na bi wɔn mo a nyaade sɛ wonya school ya wɔpɛ ebi nso so enya school ni bi kra ti empanifo te bia ya wɔsa abatan ne wɔn makɔhyia mu na sɛ oba na enya school ni bi a wɔn mɔtumi a replacement no ama na empanifo te saa bia ya no na wɔtwe mu nie ene amanebɔfo kɔdwomensa abrampa sa kɔpie mu bi sasa nya bia no abatan ne wɔn mo ema aba hɔ no mo no sɛ na tie mu ahwehwan anasa store no agya etuato no kɔyɛ no na wɔne deputy national coordinator de ma free SHS secretariat no na Africa mensa twetwe nkɔmɔ na na kyerɛ sɛ enkwada no bebre mu pimu nsia na wɔhawa wɔde aba no mpanimfo ahwɛ aso ano
the banye school Cape Coast o choose boarding you did not today day no emboa no owo Accra obesi dey twakwan akọ de bi aba
o ye no school na fire no so on pe ana e de ba na mo se yentro schools miensa na omo nhwe mai afi 50 last week Friday aba sa oba kobla sa
omo si mi san ko na yenko check up to Sunday we don't know what is going say school no omo ko school no say won ko sun ade ajaye ma no
ya ba ha Monday no omo ka che say yen pretty results no na yen tro bibi say change of residence from day to boarding and yeah up to now yen ti omo
no de say ne omo ya ade no de enso eni che say nkoda no draw boarding kwa ente ba no sansa day nde kwa na e de man nkoda no enu na ye challenges aye
enwechi deputy national coordinator ya oda free SHS secretariat no ano ana fresi kamensa edit wadom kase enim se oha obese impemu nsia wode beto wani mu no sisi wetimi aso ano ama wo mo a osu se aboa yie pa
number no e was pa but sisi ano hwa number no eso at na no kire say ye ejuma 6,000 plus most of them so issues are ya resolve amom and share ye issue ekret I hear most of the cases no amom but some more expect say ye be free wo mo asa no ma check and I say ejuma no so doors ye free but e bia na nya ndu so nti mesre say what the issue by resolution center na ye free one men sign ma resolution center solution center have ba corner ko check na hwe say bia ya na say ye
nsa wa madreji mrashe bedwani Frank Anodom preche mu a adesuafo e won empotem honom a wo mo chro BC social results ne ba ye no wo mo anya 617 and 8 musa no wabo wo mo abaso sonko kranti adesuafo makomako aduoso nsia 76 and anya sa abasobodie ebi anya laptops afi akade ahodo a wodisua de yeye wo se we ne beboa manchirima wo mo kocho BC so na yire wo ho asua de sanse so wontirim se otwa no wotwa yi a ne mrashe bedwani ebebona baso.
The results do not show up immediately. It takes a while. Me can't share again unyam. Me can't share the many teachers a waha. And also I cannot forget a number of educational directors are abako as a papa into Eba.
Ni okpoti akron otosumienu ene ye wo hino wonto aso traditional area no bepi mo dwumedi na se ene wodi tu dwase e wo sa ba fu dwumedi ho kyerɛkyerɛ no akyerɛkyerɛfo ti manitumi adesuafo ipa se be yi a obetimi ehunu su yi.
Education is truly the key to creating sustainable development and ensuring that there's progress in our beloved country. Education is indeed the medium to unlock your full potential and equip you with the relevant tools to succeed in order to contribute positively to our dear society.
The crackra na mama Doris appear down kwa yo BPMO e wodwumedi na se enso edin sema wudo bi etudwa.
Let us support these young ones with our prayers and our resources. These are our future leaders. I am therefore entreating you, especially the parents, to work hard to provide their immediate needs so that they will have a smooth journey through their secondary education.
Everyone, when I call my Ghana, you marche bedwafie na e wo mai mu ana omanfo bi sori yes oba na oba enemu enhyiamu de bema ne bema empemu nkita hode oba na aboa de LGBTQI+ honsem omanfo bi ye wadwen se wo sori na marche bedwana sabre no na Sam George gigina mu ene mpanimfo ahodo bi de krata akodan marche bedwane se yenhya ho brakete se wo apese LGBTQI+ wudi ho nkombo wudi ho dwa wudi ho gimu bie no ewosemra no ene wudi na ene ya beto dwa se attorney general no na kachi ne ko PSC won wode memu aba ya wo kire se de ntoto yesi kona ka krabiness adwuma no asi na adom kase ene Sam George wono na akomrahye bedwama waje agina mu pa se LGBT wonsem yan soso wo mai mu achichenkomo
to do with marriages. The Attorney General references in his memo the Marriages Act Cap 127, the Marriages Act of 1884 to 1985, where he says that in there the Marriage Act recognizes marriage as a union between a husband and a wife. But he felt that in giving today's nuances, it was important that we had a new legislation that deepened it and made it clear that marriage can only be between a man and a woman as husband and wife, not between two men as husband and wife. And so again, he thought that our bill was a welcome news.
Chairman Edema Committee on Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Kwame Ayumadu Entry, and so Edin Simsi Netudra.
Ages a lawyer, and near Ote or my more original or my buying. And you know by no behemra, I woman. Wa meka say aban say and answer aban say or can cross say and you know all man is straight legal ademu na me jidi say obia or ye member of the committee and now ye sponsor no be who say apano nema obeka no hono or very objective. They are unconstitutional or tray. Reason tia are unconstitutional or tray.
NDC Mebuno Dombi ya Warme Watermelon North aye Central Fonshie mu na djubedi no ase no wode kokobo mu oden akwa ma NDC fo bi a wom Watermelon North wo se wono ma ye wadwen se NDC amodwoko na bie mu ato won tu pese wugina na okopre mrahye bedwadwa na ba kofa forms waye wadwen se wono opanyi Alhassan so hini ekwa akogina akopre no so obi antwere ho opanyi oyobi asabi wo frɛ na wia wo frɛ na najo ensuo mu awia mu wunya no ukone ntia wo bie ne ponoma opanyi sa atre ade so a eni so obi akokotu no nti panyini Alhassan so yini de nyaade so be makwan mu obi a ene na kwa akopre dibra owo sisiye.
I, Honorable Alhaji Mohammed Awal, on behalf of the concerned constituents, wish to send a strong signal to whoever that may be coming to contest Honorable Alhaji Suyini in this upcoming primary to advise themselves. We do not want any disruptions at all. We have not had enough of our workaholic MP yet. So whoever is thinking of contesting him should stay away to avoid being disgraced and disappointed.
Ura yika sayemu enu wakatu asose enmahye bedwani obokwan ato hono mu a wono de woboa wono mu a woni bie ebusua ene ankura ebere bia wonom kɔ ne nan so no ofiri ni pemu eboa wo ne senti ehu behia se wonom besan ato abanama ne biom ama na gina wonom anamu ewo enmahye bedwamu.
He has been supporting needy families and individuals on daily basis. Incredible! We must also let the world know that our honorable member of parliament, Honorable Alhaji Alhassan Sahib Suyini Wumpin Lewura, has been very accessible to all constituents. He visited the constituency almost every week. During his visits, he interacts with youth groups, community leaders, students, etc., etc. He attends.
Opanyina wono ena woye kofa bai sa ye banu dani ma APC amanyoko Hassan ayarega chemu a free say NDC amanyoko mpanimfo de krata babo ntia wo chese wo bi mato wa pese wo fa krata be pre franka tuni adwa na se mrase be adwa no ekwan da ho ya wo te se mpanimfo bi akofa krata de mama mpanyi dada John Dramani Mahama His Excellency no wo busasa no panyini ede no wo pre ede biem no wo pe kwa be di a wokro wo kiremu a wiase ama ahodo so animu kura no panyini nyaade so wo dimpa Sida dwene se wo ba betu mfutu egu Ghana fo ni se meba na economy na ye bisi basama na gina yi ama Ghana fo enye sasem no eni.
John Mahama, if he comes back to run in 2024 and an unlikelihood he becomes president, he will go down history as the worst president of the Republic of Ghana. President Mahama comes back, for instance. Many of the businessmen and international community are not seeing anything new. They are also seeing a reshuffle again. Because Mahama has been there before and he's not coming. They know there's nothing he's going to change.
Wani amani boni enkomo twetwemu en woda na die se wono de wo wogidie ene arehemu se wono nko a ena woye animfofora obetumi aboa oman ama amaya hodo a wono bepese wodi sika ba be hye oman mu no wo be hwe no so ede aba.
Hassan Ayroga comes. Now the whole world would say, oh, the Ghana government has gotten a new young leader from a different political party, not the traditional NDC and MPP. Let's support him. Businessmen will now have confidence. Let's help this gentleman. It's like Macron when he came. Companies around the world will now begin to have trust and hope in my government.
Yakasi abokro ya so ena yeditu dwase so kopie mu ya akro career saribidi akọ SHS girls hostel no hedan ni wura e de credo change ncha akotum ni nyina de se mensi no assembly de neka wo mo beje dan se ma nkoda ne tirem na vie kakra ni nya de se wo matua sika wo se wo de ema no ntina aya homete sempa na free bra yenu abe ma Isaac no me no e de nsem yitu dwa obejam kro ya so no opanyini ba akoya wo da realistic printing and publishing ano Edward dan so for Juatam says sika no a opanyini kire se mansi no assembly de ne kada kotua sa adesuafo no enkwatena dan ni mu nkodam no ntimi nsua de na dache o meye mpanipa
nze ti asem no wo ai FM so no na ye nyina aboto san say school ni ye nyina yakobida nti ema kan akoma ma me ne adwumanfo adwendwen ho ene me ho kafo de ba say o si yi bibi e de boa san say hwe ma school fo a sebi o makra ma wofo aba na yebe to dan a omodam abonten da no me ma dabida nim de waste nti me ye no wakomam se de be ya ebe boa ama ye nhwe so de minim se bi mo so afofrote a mo so beba abeboa san se aban no ko anti menya bibia ankonkosi tabi obi akura kakra ye de boa ebe
ye ne headmaster ani adesiafo e bi so won school mu so eni nkomo
What radio say asara bedi akon ofrewa no abetloko edan no ite kana kuma so one trans ofrewa abetloko dan no it is a kabi edin no but if you look at it 6,000 they got 6,000 at brain and come ofrewa no
tisentimu ko tue ofrewa aka
oh sure you are going to pay the landlord no twist about that and now ebe tuanka
how ni bibiom ne sen
how ni bibiom say what other hostels or who no say dey on car and so one threatening so seriously but ka ba Adom be we get fan project no ya maye na ka ni budget pa
ye jana bia no na ye be srado for say omombran be boye se ne be ya se bi oye ko jana ya obi bera embe ho ya deja dada mas asida kese nso koma Adom TV enye omo a kamini menye sure say nka obi bera be boye
enye no nso nko a ma de chekwa na ye be school a ye ni nje fi say ye ba nkonya yetna so class no enso ma ye ti aya na ye bre panti ye sle aban say omwa ye na adofo omwa abonten so emwa ye da masi bebre
kase no ye de akogudi aduru so no kwasinsia ba na ye wa pocket na de obokrata no sukuta no na de bia meka say ya wonsusu mfa ne ho na ye fiada na ye boja ye de nka on the low but you are fan ho no in fact kopra kadua ntumu kura ye mfie enti no online stories to ho adomonline.com myjoyonline.com afedo obokrata no graphic times guide ni nyina ba ye kuta no enti no e be bo so ama mo tew se de brepam ye na ye fiada na ye nkai se ahosepe wo ho agwakansie wo ho na afi yatena se ahwe wo mo ane mo beto ade kakra no so beba ansana mpense mu so aba kwasi kwaba
ajo amjoso
ma wade ye de mu se ring ne so sa na ma fe metetem time wona
no chiwaba ajo
se oyere ho ye de
obia ho ye na so nyame adom se hweye
o nyame adom mesi no ase meto me
o wade
go wana me me obia bo obia kutakrata be ko kenkan so a school ni si wo mo committee break
yes
meeting break na ye nenko a
yes
omo committee break na fie nko adwa na omo free school ase and I'm say hey
yes
1 day meeting break
oh yes
wow
adwa
yes akoma no kore na what
akoma no so eba
1 week
now because yes go back to normal academic calendar na new academic year started September no e ho na yes go back to
be 8 months no aye wo no ye exhausted 3 terms
that is it enti man bebe fie school fees na etwa na January no shiba no
March by March end no mama kwan
yes no mama kwan na kwan ba fie
no mama kwan but ma remfi say so mama kwan brada na wotwe banada wo mu bi 1 week pe Ghana ye di agro
adwa komo ye be dis how komo no asebi di campaign for ahyehe ene be bi ato our national plan of my Ghana then the issue no ye be kwa kodisa komo no enyina na mahunu ade bi wo Adom online so with 20 Asamoahs the day are used probably we will not get to IMF
with the 20 Asamoahs
yes enya Asamoahs so sa 20 enya the day are used sa 20 yenko IMF National Sports Authority yenkinka director party yenko so kana ko asem de we can say na The Director General of the National Sports Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi, is advocating for more professionalism in Ghana sports in order to generate more wealth for the country. According to the NSA boss, scores of financially successful sportsmen, such as former Black Stars captain Asamoah Gyan and current Black Stars captain Andre Dede Ayew could serve as the backbone of the national economy and save the country from returning to the International Monetary Fund for bailout during an economic crisis. Speaking at the inauguration of a local organizing committee for the Under-18 African Baseball Youth Championship in Accra, Professor Chumasi argued that sports today was big business. Patrick Yanko Accra, later. Yanko Accra. Quote, today the sports is money, it's business, and I tell you, if we are to have 20 Asamoahs, we will not need to go to the IMF. It's true, Professor Chumasi said. Another quote, if Ghana has 20 of the Asamoah or Dede Ayew, do you think Ghana will go to the IMF? They can find the money that we need from them, and that should be the target. First word more.
The money we need from individuals.
Ghana, Echo World Cup, Qatar. Sika you are konya eno. Ye chemu $700,000 at my Black Stars Management Committee members.
Management committee
yes.
members. Okay. 7
members will be $100,000.
Okay. Okay.
And a Premier League na a generative players na NS boss so can was almost $400,000. The whole Premier League teams in na. The whole Premier League teams in na.
Premier League.
As
in Kotoko money,
Diana, Olympics near the $400,000.
Teams in
na.
And Yama Kotoko,
Black Stars Management Committee member, $100,000. Nipanso.
You know me, 7.
Yes.
Okay.
Ye generator, Professor. Ebe gu ankwankra botom. Ye nya ya dwi se be develop your sports.
That
is it. Ye nya ya dwi se be develop your sports no. The whole team so the whole Premier League your body kesiye. Ya ko World Cup akonye scan te sai.
Oh na say on say ye ko ibisa na tournament bisa na. We say usually sika e da sokora no to bia ye ka ye body ko no eso chen de ye ko ni mu ayi de
ya nhwehwe ni mu na ye de ko no FIFA no nhwe mu no cause on can't just say chia supporters
but as an organized nation aye ho kire ye say no sports a necessity yes but to bia ye calculations ni ye
$700,000
7 individuals
nipa nson a whole Premier League. Yeah, it generated the Asamoahs Andre Dede Ayew. Yeah, mamo $400,000.
Omunyina nkwache o.
Omunyina nkwache. Na fancy generated.
Omodo so chen 7 you.
That is it.
Okay.
And now no Alhaji Gusa enye bi wo meka. And you see, enemy ya kan wasem say nya twomye wo ye mpanifo afa. Eyo, how can said more my God.
Na say wan kan ye china ye ma no.
Kwesi nya tachi time. Alhaji Gusa condemning sika yedima Black Stars Management Committee from your World Cup especially in South Africa. And now Alhaji Gusa benya $100,000 or two bisa man for say e sikasu be ya Ghana for ni abre Black Stars Management Committee members.
Sir. Na no nka ho ntia na.
And enye ene de be ya asem de kenti no. Enshada nkomusa.
Okay.
Dear ye develop your sports no our Ghana your commitment GFA and your the Black Stars ashamonsa ye the Premier League ashamonsa ye the football ashamonsa some money and titinya blai players we say Asamoah Dede Ayew munye sika monum songo kan musema wonka sikadie basa
jana shewa
bia ba GFA ni oba bedie and wodwe ho
na say ne yafunu nti
ye nya ya nwisi be developing your youth
na youth no abo ne homode adu bebi a wadu no uhu ne se nka ye gigi kakra firi wo mo ho anka ye nko IMF na
IMF ye nko because we skap ko gugu Black Stars Management Committee members bottom tenye be ko IMF professor ye nko kra because skap ko gugu ankra bottom say it tells you Ghana to qualify from your group stage for Qatar 2022 and your core the next stage it tells you the amount of sika naka management members
ebenya
ye the team say akọ World Cup group stage yakọ ye free yakukuru $50,000 US. Says Satam not only 15 Ghana cedis, 1.5 million Ghana cedis
each.
15 billion. All cedis the money pabako. Trebako.
Eh,
Bon wa mobio. Nidi oye nyina say opushi ni favorite na coach Blasters and your coach ni ngwase wakata and your saba yechi. Yama 15 billion.
The piano for sending ngwase.
Akofo. Na bede timi nya bra tete 20 asamwajans.
Kwasi de bia meka say usually ana ya family discipline kakra wo mu. Wo de hwe say ye ko IMF ni sesi ye ya. IMF betimi a kire ye say ye ni 10 cedis dakoro. Ampani ampa ni nuane ampa ye betumi adi 10 no dako. But say ye ni IMF wase a.
Yes.
10 ye ni ye be di 100 million dakoro. Eti ye tena se na sesika na ye tutu kwene ye de nema e pese de ye mismanage no a. Na ye wi a ye ko for bailout. Ho ne de ye de o hye to ye so se kwasi sie. E de hye blue. Blue no ano de. Ti ade nti na ye ntumi nye self discipline. Na yan toto niema na said obi amfa ba nyina yeso
because the black man is not capable of managing his own affairs.
This a broni be hwe yeso
Saje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kind side and say you ko actually pa ke say the black man is not capable. The black man is greedy. The black man is greedy. The black man is greedy. New Weekend Crusading Guide. $2.75 million US gold scam syndicate bust. Ghana Armed Forces turn in 20 suspects to CID. There is no such animal in quotation, called EMC in cabinet. Richard Nyama, school's majority chief whip. Some for Becca ne honor Frank and Adom preaching come on pese musuno. And also say me to yem say a generate issues abe pim ne na outri. And Ora John Alan Kojo Trematin campaign team, official campaign team. Edit statement by Badwam TV say enya no krese Alan Kojo Trematin na ye chairman of the Economic Management Committee of Cabinet.
Okay.
2, almost be BNY ye friend no Cabinet Economic Management Committee. And penifo so the list bin so aba say enipa enso ministries enso and the WhatsApp committee so and Ora John Alan Kojo Trematin chairman chairman of the committee in 2022. Now near Ama Alan Trematin ko for say bisanso say if say na Alan na chairman for EMC cabinet EMC in 2022 2071 na chairman. And so Freja and so Upper East North East residents appeal for gas refilling stations. Contempt case against Apostle Eben Boying adjourned. Nungwa chief tackles Senate says Frank Louis earned his appointment as my chief of staff. Self-styled businessman Ray arrested after he was discharged by Accra Circuit Court. The New Weekend Crusading Guide. The Chronicle. On the Chief Justice Kwesi Nin Yabua, on the Sire board chairman, Edema Emeniampon Senior High School. Ebeshuwe. Your company 49 ye Bugana, Mampeni, na bedi echire Speaker of Parliament and a Chief Justice.
Yes.
In we the end of school I'll call ye. Penny. Papa can was me Chief Justice. Say Speaker of Parliament ni wo Mampeni ni wo na bedi echire wo. On the be share say Ghana Mampeni. So the mecha no. Oye Amaniampong Senior High School. Ye wo Asante Mampong. School na ye seen in 1972. Amaniampong Senior High School.
I said there were personal interest.
Because I want them me secondary school.
Okay.
Yes. On a board chairman, the board of directors.
Okay.
Amaniampong Senior High School. Trial of Opuni Agogo, please refer case to CJ. Attorney General Police with retired Honyenuga. Kusa Traditional Council called for calm. Malfunctioning traffic light at La Paz pose danger to road users. Tema to host Greater Accra Region 6 March celebration. Greater Accra Regional Minister Ekan said. The Chronicle. And so dear, Daily Graphic. Routine immunization, vaccine shortage will soon be over. Ghana Health Service assures public. Editor bows out. Many laud his contribution to graphic corporation. Project to bring back dropout. 70,000 children returning to school. Okay, nice one. Daily graphic. I don't know. Okay. Ghanaian Times also in a chieftaincy conflict at Tripoli, 4 killed. Soldier, 4 others injured. Women, children flee. Houses set ablaze. Or the Interior Minister, Ambrose Derry, Efuni Abba. Cocoa Board financial loss case. AG asked judge to refer case to Chief Justice. Registration of voters. Parliament adopts CI to make Ghana card sole registration document.
Kwesi, Bakonoa Interior Minister picture that one now say near here.
Cheponento kwano.
Cheponento kwano.
Esi ekum nipa 9. So jeni baako. Nipa 9 swepra. Ema enkwada edwane. Etweja to efia odu a ewo mu.
Ewo hen Chepone. Okay.
Yes. Ghana card na kan wasempacho oni bia kopebi. Esa say afia di enum abato aye ba beto no the only identity ya betim di akire nya akwanya ato aba eya Ghana card.
Yenye voters ID card bi.
Oh ye be say we say yenye new voters register.
That one.
Atimu a afi no mo amba be register no.
Atimu na ebe migrate mu akoso.
Na ye dia face the next one ebe na dia face voters register no enka krakra e di F2 no. Ghana EU IOM a partner to implement safe orderly regular migration projects. And to Ghanaian Times. Mami fa way daily guide in yuna call online strength. NPP NDC tango over EC law and so ya pass it. Ashanti Women's Organizer or endorses Dr. Kwabena Dufour. 1 killed, several houses burnt in Wanchiki chieftaincy dispute. Refer police trial to CJ Attorney General. Ghana is a pillar of stability. Finance Minister Sona Ekan is saying to people, no? Edwin Badwam. Online, say.
AdomOnline.com. The first one, our house is spare parts dealers to Fuwa Mohammed's campaign vehicle. Okay. No so and away a room with 20 Asamoah they are used. Probably we would not need to go to IMF. Okay. Group donates 5,000 Ghana cedis to NDC MP. You say God don't say okay Nigeria memo about one.
Yes. And then Nigeria for Twamba.
And then emotion.
And then Nigeria for Twamba. Yes. Ti adajeni pusukura.
Adajeni ho.
Peter Obine wona keka ho. Yes. And then Nigeria for eto omo.
Na Peter Obi names we youth owo.
Oye babunu ya.
61 years.
Yes.
Aduosia baako 61 no on the youth wo mo contested presidential seat no Nigeria when I so for be one waka so say God don't punish us with another bad leader.
Nigerian pastor.
Another bad leader. What you say? Another bad leader.
I am not supposed to make inference. But if I'm to deduce from no kind here, it means say Nigeria for a bad leader.
Okay.
Make us as a citizen, not a journalist.
You say, God, don't punish us with another bad leader. Nigerian president.
Bad.
A story way back to be a mama and ran a home come newsroom, and it's very, very heartbreaking. A positive for repress our opinion. Police on manhunt for man who defiled, impregnated his 2 nieces at Agona Swedru, Bachoko for my. On the ma bebrebe buono was one wafa for na sebi. One bedida. Agona Swedru District Police Command has launched a manhunt for one Kobina Apia for allegedly defiling and impregnating his own family members. The 32-year-old Kobina allegedly took advantage of his elder sister's daughters and impregnated them in the process. Both the victims, a 16-year-old and her sister, 14, 16 and 14. And the suspect lived together at Agona Badwam in the Agona West District of the Central Region. Mother of the victim, Efua Yeboah, who is beyond heartbroken, said she left the victims in the care of her younger brother to undergo an emergency surgery. So when we are bar, it was surgery, emergency. No, I didn't mammy you knew. I bet now one chance of far. What do you say? I will be batching my barrier Koranwa and can you woofy nipa? meto na me majeje mu eje omo ho sa akwa amemfo mu nya panyin bi ade of amesrew hwe me mai suma me ba ko mfinhia dunsia ba ko mfinhia dunnan ma mi kokoye surgery se wo fa no te ho no koda mienu no se wo no wo mo dedeni 16 years back 14 years back was say she alleged that the suspect gave alcoholic beverages to the victim na say was akra mo wo mo bro o my Ghana mambra no kran ka be no msan ye 18 years and above 16 and 14 wo mo bro say twom eture bi kwan so wo the sleeping pills edura wo no ma wo bie wani enye kran ne dasa je kran ni bete no na wa ye wo mo de wo be ye wo mo wawi owie ye no wonye bema wadwane bem se bema de nka si ubo na oye usi ubo se bema na utu anamo wati se yi a uwie na nko akunko na osi akonwa so na atwen posifo owie wadwane swadura posifo hwehwesa akoi 32 pe o 32 years youth oye bebuno ena ono ane wafa asifo mienu wadi wo mu awusa na wie kura sai anyanyem wo mu ayare hosem na mpedifo se ombebo mo moden se sa opanyin ombe kire ne mara no ene nedi kwezi
ayo
yanko yanko ebeji ene
kra me na eja
abusia ye na ye ho aba kwasinsia me so hia me akai so obefre me anochi wa badwa se wa na agwakansie ba betwa so ansa na ye nua ba betena se na wodi ahosepe atwa so na afi enkomo kakra ba se bi di kanso ehia pa sembe ne kwasinsia de ba ye basisia.
Okay, tiesa baba kwa babiem emfamra bedwam dwumadie so. Asemi dika ebre ena aso. Semu a echechi aso. Semu a otia no oboprim. Yema hyewo. Enya kontompo nya bosremuka na adanse eta akire ebre enie. Asemi dika. Midin de akwasi ensia. That okay, thank you Merasi. Anope hana mesha se ede education minister chia na anope me yisa akora ho ye Dr. ya Osei Aduchum, Director of Ghana Education Service pajoso so ho ye me da se pa we nya mi main topic na mo bamfa we entity enu na yemtwi mpanifo adwensi bibi so prospectus ye da hanim eye enkwada a ekọ senior high school free senior high school seminar making we twice senior high school prospectus and near me was you sim kwada ne famra school ye makomako adwesia 60 yesim kwada ne famra under free senior high school ba akubi wo mu a atwitwima so pa eniama no doso no kura wo no no say school bia o se no any but twice senior high school snamo mo prospectus na mo dia ma de shafo so family school niama no doso niama makomako adwesia ena wom number 26 or see all white socks afei away oh niama hwen we personal belongings me personal belongings no okay na memra se enkwada no emfa white board marker school no sa pa jumbo yes in place of chalk ya de ayi marker na ya adwuma say free senior high school me pa cho enkwada na eto mo chalks eno mo marker em ya de asoma de school ana because when you say under free senior high school you see PTA dues crami enchia so how much more marker Ghana Education Service ba chomo ya we say ukọ twice senior high school prospectus ya de man kwada so from school no omo to marker e de aka ho white board marker jumbo size upper one box. So assuming without admitting, set twice senior high school fan kwadabes ahenum. Maka maku ahenum boxes so maku ahenum and the GDS school monum. Free senior high school me pacho afede awufo no ya part ana. GS bachon ka mon nyakaka na mon ton grafa ma twice senior high school headmaster ne say white markup ayi then ka ho no onyi efa free mu because awofo ni bia me no body komo enura any some days back complaining se prospectus no mkoji ye no eye twamene and niam awalum se ukani nyina abo ebomu a you are getting to over 2,000 Ghana cedis anima wa ha okay kani nyina abo ebomu a eye over 2,000 Ghana cedis. So the free senior high school year be so awofo asene ama yokom an high no se ebeja yenka 2,000 Ghana cedis. Dianes are nodding. And never been a free senior high school no eketa for. Is it only the fees? Is it only the body facilities here kwako yusu? And I said yeah. Because bibia wahabia au fono eto. Bibia wahabia au fono eto bibia wahabia. Number 47, Mentias, 20 senior high school headmaster. Old newspapers or black polythene bags. What do you hear those come? Etika papers here can carry yan chamba and mafrano. Where do you hear those come? They are fed out for a newspaper stand. I got to old newspapers. School in the old newspapers in the day. How many? Hey. And this is your phone number, be a crunch. Number 47, yes. Old newspapers or black polythene bags. Me pacho school in the day. Do you send them here? If you offer no cover or monko newsstand, a same pacho newspapers in the criminal, most of some men for 20 senior high school. Old newspapers and the polythene bags. Yachi and the free senior high school. Number 53. Sewing kit and a needle thread. How much school in the other day? So what I tell you about Pamwadi school one at MVTI. This is 20 senior high school. Kwadane dia huma de Pamadi Eko school. Hey. Education Minister Mpacho Yahweh. GS Director Mpacho Yahweh. Asa ni amofrey edi Eko enie. Number 59 ya mdi twa twa come main issue so. Kamfa. Kwalita libebong. Kamfa. Our 20 senior high school. No crow one pie say education minister. Doctor or say waduchu. This is prospectus here free 20 senior high school eba. I hope you want to say a dorsal. A bolo or muntimi. Yan sheni ya a bit defeated the purpose. Yeah. Enunti Yadim Kwada Echo and the free senior high school. Now mami for ye that abekumio. Number 57. Dress care or desert lion bed back control. Say a muaduma wa was school one man pacho and Kwada ne mechia hu sika me fanko kum one. This is under free senior high school. You see PTA dues impo my yentua. PTA dues. According to President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Or say PTA dues impo krama ufo entua. Because yan pese bibia be yo si akwan. E de ma kwada bi o akwanya so betimi akọ school. Na so ba ta yen nani ma moye den asetre moye den. Sika ho se moye den. E coffee over 2,000 Ghana cedis say ya. Ahwe amampani ba betena fie. You cry home no. And she ya ne ba e betena fie wontimi nko. Ti perform pe wasem kada ja pacho. Mami sa video no fa video ne to so. F mami. Pacho fa video ne to so mam ze see. Asante nyamnyamte. Asante mampong. Hine. Da sibre osebo sotos minu. Akra no pai me chiaw. Me bumu asenso e de maw. Uko asante amamre mu a. Asante mewura. Oti kokoso. tumfo osei tutu ababio so ni ho a asante mampon hene e da wo ho eti friend say otisika dwete akonya so the silver stool becha hima na naja kuma difie yo toso mienu afie twa mu na na amia sanse na odi wawoda e chiawo asante mampon MP and Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs Kwaku Amprechum Sapom chiawo MC and the apia kubi chiawo papa ya me patro hu no TV si amfa na seke se nkoma asante mampon report jaru wada wo na mnya asa video yi papa ya mpatro da TV si eye penipa wada social welfare ano wo asante mampon waka sembi ya ehu ese no kodru mampon wa emayuwa below the ages of 15 and sanom we any jotnom na esi mani so asante mampon we jot any sanom what can ya man me wiem se nkwada bokro 11 years emayuwa eba mema ne so emayuwa wa asante mampon we jot and sa nom de esi mani so that patchom yentie bi no bi aka je se bi me ka asam hwe papa na no yenti papa na so kan no this is a social welfare pedipa wa asante mampon yenti na so kan asa na mato ankomodi ani so
tu krade na ka omo nuru be aduasa 30 he said omo ye twam wo ha enti ye hu ne sase ya mfe ye na nsi fom a mampon be ginsem enti ohwe statistics na emaya omo wo be se 11 years to 15 years a omo nom ensa awoko bia ba horo mu a omo je bottles esisi omanim no omo nom no he said omo ye twam wo ha enti ye pese ye teso kura na ye tu ase kura efri mampon enti tititiru ena na wie ye hia mu wo ha no ma ye di sa adwuman.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. The same you won't say you put some cancer. And you can't asem. This is a social welfare penny. You was Santimampong. And my you are 11 to 15 years. And then Sanum and then so. Who could be about Santimampa? And yes, I say chong. Because of one thing. Because of one thing. Now you my you are below 15 years in Kwa. Seven strona make na me ha me na make up. O wura Santimampa e mabuni e wodom no sem dodo na da ne sadwam. Ensa e de so mani so monom. Ti bia ba empusa. Ensa no monom adwuma ni kronim. Adwuma di adwuma eni kronim. Awra osime wom yesem o to koye fra Santimampa akokumase the capital of Ashanti region e less than 1 hour drive. Ebimu ti kumasi yomu ba dwuma e wa Santimampa commercial bank so ketesu say dwuma won make iso betimi afri kumasi aba dwuma mampo na so dwuma ne wai adwuma no e wai adwuma ni Santimampa and it wo ka regional as a district aban eko IMF for yam sure mo pa e Santimampa fo because the only source of employment is your government work. Tabako IMF na IMF kasa mi emfa grofo adwuma pe na Santimampa ni bia den saguneti onya aban adwuma school be de bi ni wonom school ben e de bi ni Santimampa CSC polyclinic polytechnics e wo district ka Santimampa kra obi ye wo nursing ye wo teacher training ye wo university e school the boys ne kopa ba adwuma ne wey oh how kesia etia Santimampa ne se empanifu e beka bia ma na babu no wonka from your handful to your political appointees. Nana mo for cheme. Same kwanesa. Ba bia ne keka kolo eya yehu. From our leaders, from the traditional leaders to our political appointees, wamonka. That time pacho mami Santimampa MP picture. Na me chairman for Adebi. Santimampa MP. This is Honorable Kwaku Amprechum Sapon. Why your Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister? Natie mampenda da akofo apenso na oye Deputy Ghana High Commissioner to India papa eba akontu abonani akontu a wotuche ombia wa Santimampa one won hia no one and won hia no but beside said one district one factory e kan wasem ebi won for wa Santimampa identity enna private companies enye interested in setting up business in Santimampa ya bisa won sa asem no Mami MC papa oje otiwen eya Santimampong MC anti apia kubi oni ni MP nka omun kasa uwana minister bi afra kwasisia mukromo de mu be cha san mo nya mpuntuo Minister of State because honorable and apia kubi yo ye MC any honorable Kwaku Pratum Sapo wo 19 omu twetwa mu 19 se omun kasa nkomu issue nyama asem baby a motifia doing some fadamfo enye me issue but some adamfo fada momfa my yonko fada ni muntem no e affect Santimampong there it can't continue. Why ya tia man penfui at the crazy from brand and Nakufa Bessi akonya kese so. And Uko Ashanti Regional, one of the constituencies as MPP vote, Santimampong. From President Kofi Peso, Epepimne, Yemisi say, I dear pay na MPP as a political party, Santimampong. And you wanna watch one as him. But one of your power as leaders from Mampo, a challenge. And even Yakofa to Yamusi, the MC and MP. Because Amonka. Eti MC faso ko pempuntua na MP akotie snechi MP faso ko pempuntua na MC atie snechi all because they are fighting to show supremacy. That one for when you patch from Ghana Gas website. I mean for when you see website here Ghana Gas. Patchenko, these are the board of directors. Patchenko director yanko yeah. These are the board of directors Edema Ghana Gas. Ghana Gas wo mu project bi omo ya omo si astroturf. Sambeka na se amene honorable Frank Adom pre etwe nkomo no ka chem say astroturf ya abu ewo se wo Madrid constituency no Ghana Gas for de bi ka ho. Santimampong fo ntie na mu tie ne ye. Papa yo wa hayi eye ya hene pon kase pa. Nana Owusu Ansan Ababio. Oye board member of Ghana Gas. Santimampong for epe astroturf. Yana na yo butasi hine wo Santimampong. Ni nwane Santimampong hine dasibre osebo su otosmienu. Nana Owusu Ansan Ababio si onimu da sa Santimampong for pe astroturf. Mi wa Ghana Gas for AC astroturf across the length and breadth of this country. On one can say the chrome Santimampong osu onim dasi epebi. Do you know why? One Santimampong hine da sibro sebons yotos mienu enka ninya pa o enye nche yo ninya pa Santimampong hima na naja kuma tifie yotos mienu e de krata ko Ghana Gas ye wo ye papa pese pa wo te Ghana Gas board so boso nyawe tinananom baby okrono ekeka kono eya ye hu the rate at which Santimampong mebunu eni adwuma ye sebio esawie we jot na di bebredi so bani so no eya ye hu ye hwe ne ye the facts and penifo enkadas should not affect Santimampong puntuo ye na no masem de sebi ye se aweneti mpani mu a ebi nyira tiem pisem e wo badwam patesre Owura Mr. SK ene mo kan bia wom na na mayemfomu a mo Santimampong mom ya twema enkabomra nana Owusu Ansan Ababio ne dase bro sebo so the second term ene wachi Santimampong MP ne MC enkabomra mo tem enye Santimampong ebeka achiri agudem sem eto aso
kesi me de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju medie so dia wo kansi ho sempa en sa kana no penso ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten kono na no penso ya den kuma wodo en sa ka e wo Ghana agudie eja one expert I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa bet utwa ne befu odin befu utwa ne kuma bia wudi no kumasa no manum another boys nyamo financial freedom edi di bronya no new year so 1xbet nemo bet with money that you can afford to lose ikaira enya oya no eno ana yedi twa bet eno pan wa je fast mixture do tatwi infections edo gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wa fita na so di po na chiwa edo ebu aprapro ahrawa no mrebo ho ema otimi di nchineche bomoden da ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops nemu also pe je fast mixture eno ne edo ebetia boa afen so kwa sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pimo na se do ba ko 2 hours se home na eboa emonya kwawesa wasetenim na afi odi tontom erade no sedimo gel and roll-on bomoden da so be ko ashama me market na fitema enye na hokra betia friend was 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll-on phone paying for yenhwehwe nkomo yenhwehwe mwa na wapomodon sem so enyina pintin weradim we money sponsors na no pay omo eboa me ma mashodan besi wa ukensim no yetimi esine kama yense ebre kwa na journey of 1000 kilometers begins to very first step yebeko na ede ni akire Ghana Digital Center ho ana ni Asempa 94.7 FM sports yedi dwumedie kese bi 18 times so na sa dwumedie Asempa Sports Dialogue. In fact, we in the very first time yedi dialogue ni 18 times so tun sade afa major and minor stakeholders na say omo form an influence akire se me no ka say de Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable omo edomani 18 sache for Ghana Football Association President General Secretary na fe clubs makuma kubesi dumotwe a ewo Ghana ha no omu na edomani 18 sache supporters groups no afi Referees Association of Ghana ukumu hwese ne mesiti enso a na so omo 18 sambo ma gudi ne 18 sakoye Gaka Ghana League Club Association alaji gusa abona mana ne fense Galeka omu na ba beta chira aboa ma Asempa Sports Dialogue na no pay nyama 18 satoye me no kasa die abadwafo horma omasim kunya by best na otwede na dwumedi ne ehya me kwa man so na yene Sergio Manucho the oscillating and revolving reporter entwetwe nkomo na afọ mfa nkomo awodo no entimi ensamra na fi hu sena me no kase Ghana Digital Center niama esi ehuru ho
mamu akwaba enfamra the venue of attraction Accra Digital Center ejana ne adu ye bo hu dewura no oni to Asempa Sports Dialogue which board kakra yes here this is the backdrop na that's on Asempa Sports Dialogue and the empire bigger all the sporting fraternity obiaye crowd wa ye hwe ni mu se dwumadi kese ye Asempa FM ya hyehye no ye bobobo hu na ya kire ya adwene na ya hwe team da so getting the fans back to the stadium no say na wakoduro Sergio Manucho me wo ha live a me hwe ni mu se de beto phone bia no pane ye kura na me pone ho na Adom TV ahwefo nso anya bi ahwe nti mabeduru ha no mo a football people ene o meka ho enso aye krado a omo praprachire oba omo ntiri se na be ya Digital Center ha no o ma bepie ha na dwumadie no abaye krabehwe nti ye hyase enche ye kura se se de live was Asempa 94.7 FM ya nei magipini ya Adom TV nso me pone ho kakra Eriama etiefuo na wo hwe mensani mfaso a the host of the ultimate sports show Kojo Mensa Mo show ene empenifo de dwumadie kese na nkasa hye ne kon a MC of the day oje edi aboso nti yeni nkomo na yembisa no se asowaye krado na den ne yenhwe ni mu emfamfiri ene ho ene dwumadie mo show memo akwa ba de Adom TV so
emejo Sergio Manucho the man said
ya ebokode
na media chair hoden ho pa
na den yenhwe ni mu Asempa Sports Dialogue. This is the second edition. Yes. A couple of years ago, you made the first one in the Baso, and then
well, said what you can TV SM getting the fans back to the stadium. You say Ghana had one issue about a matter of concern to you now, and they say you born a year born nipa embeche, and you say football no, you the spectators anybody had for and a diagram. Enti se ye bobo do na se supporters emba na je se eyade a wo se nyina no ye hwe de ye dwendwene ho na ye hwe kwan be fa so a ye de ye betumia pull supporters na back to the stadium adekwa akofa asade ne ba ye di enti ankofo ma stadium e de ade nyina no e wo se yetimi epe ne puma sibre ye bisa se adenti e na sade no ene akoba ne se ye bobo na ankofo emba eno nti enene as the #1 sports station in Ghana, the biggest sports platform in Ghana, account brands, Adom TV, Adom FM, Asempa FM, Enchira FM, Yakabum, say, Yentun Sanfre, Obia, Okasa, Edrugem, Obia, or stakeholder in the game of football in this country. ni nyina be hye mu e wo ha anopa yi yen to adwene yen find out yen bisa nsem se adenti ene yedu mpomponso a afedi ye bobo na nipa mpese oba behwe enti bisa nsem ni nyina na bisa se ede ba de ne betimi aya ebetesa ebema de mani asesa na afei ifi sabre echo nyina no supporters ebehu ye hia se ombeba na ye bobo na omaba hwe enti a very important assignment ema Ghana ni bia otie mi na no pay obi a ohwe ye na no pay e Adom TV so say when we get the supporters back to the stadium eno na be mi ehu say after Ghana sports no and I say Ghana football no e peja e fa no apa e de efra enti shema no pay a na adwento ato a na ye ke say Ministry of Youth and Sports omo na omo ye in charge of sports in this country bibie no obeye e fa sports ho and in this matter baby ye share specifically in football no a we mu free ma ebeyi enti ya involve wo mo ya structure ya come mo so mbra no mo so baby o mo te no at the top level no o mo say what is the problem everybody in the bit me aye a bit me pull supporters no am ya o makohwe ye game no obeka ya ye be share this season ase Ghana Football Association President Oraketo Kweku raised this matter. Said there's one important issue I was here spending time to talk about, and that is getting the number 12 man back to the stadium. And number 12 man no the supporters. Okay, Sembi, I said the supporters are far away. Supporters no far away from us. I did the supporters no far away from us. That's why we need to find out. Now you who say if the supporters are far away from us, they are, and what should we do? To get all of them back, to bring all of them to the stadium. And it so critical and so important. And yes, you know, what you say, and pay for make us say, so we say, Radio Jeffrey, what you say. He's a former vice president of the Ghana Football Association. Wabaha, because also, and we know, yet to Zafreno, when Yaibu, Waba, also. What an adventure ever, and the Bibia ever touched it. It is so important. And then, Radio the free moon paying for a benino, on bit me at the Omo Ababeshimbi, Nabibia Koye. It is very important. I shementi, I said you so beside nature say, Yabano, Sabian Tratuano, and Yaba, if we say ya. And also a bit me a boy. Enti said you never say perpendicular. Enti Radio the free or how bit me I be sending December whom you be now fee or also enti Radio the free yet as I said on the private cancer yep or no a Japanese strain into your family brain Yagokra said an or Catriano. But George sir theme idea to a so getting fans back to the stadium. My mini Kwamo Aquaba no watching Emra Adom TV so. Sadly, if we say a matter of concern, a idea was as stakeholders in the game, no, as you already address yana.
Could you midasi na Minika Moma Basso? Membo new team in Abasso, ne such a laudable initiative for Matiki. And in say, as football people, said they are a man for Becan, and I say, as football stakeholders, no, a humbe here say, bibi touch ma wa ya grow no more, ye pe kwan bi. Na yeswano in recent times no spectating and I say fans and I say supporters and I say omwaniji football hono ebeko stadium and I say ombeko various stadium akohebo no I say akofem kakra and I say imka say akofem enye baby na akofem that's a fact yenyin tumsa but nka matches been more wha we expect say I will cite just one example we will be to say Bofoni BA irrespective of division B on Bekobia, some more division 2, some more division 1, or some more premier. The rivalry, Manya Kwaya Hibi was Sunyani Peng. Now, the rivalry existing between these two teams, you know. You can compare.
Ghana the Guitar Center, Anna Yekoye, Ote, Ghana Fokojo, and the host of the Ultimate Sports Morning Show. On the name Yaduma, obey the master of the ceremony, Ashabwa, Emma, Jumedia, Yedini, himself, Bias, and fans, the bit Yabu Mase, be, Ewago Masono, El Miami Yahodono, Nyama Etiakoyo, who say Ura George Akwesefi, former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Fensukano, or a Japanese mafia, or no sudden in Kumahakra, and so 18 started today was sending Yama ACL co. Yama Nateko Hakra, Yamiadum, Nasa Sabe, Bessa, Kennedy Achero, Navarre, sending Yama ACL course, Dr. N.S. Yabua Champon, and so a Pena. ono na nei or the main speaker of University of Education woniba ye ka sports mu nchirichirimu ene sene ne city a papa yi ado mu asokoyie pa nyame adoma nei ono so ede ne nkomo no ebetia sa todwa na afi central fawdo a wo mo eba enya asem keto akomu na ede omani etia sa kira beta kira boa e ma san hyehyɛ so nkwen etia kwemi no ka say de Ghana Football Association president na afi so minister for youth and sports omina ai krado omo hwɛ nim se kwan bia so betia beta kiri Ghana Olympic Committee president ura Benunu Mensa ene mpemfa do no National Sports Authority ana afi so kra Ghana Police IGP omina ede omani etia sa kira mena ede otimi sampa mebom na aboa na yehwɛ nim se kwan bia so bepe Ghana gudie no pumasibre yebesa go back to Ghana Digital Center ho ana Sergio Manucho ene Ghana Fokojo esinkunya na afi ato aso ati nkoma na ɛho
yɛmfa TV de this year but George yɛbɛnyamdɛ na yɛtumi aka no wase okay so na me result the FA president from the beginning of the season the council will share clubs no na or tuma wo say the number 12 man is far away from the club and I was saying get your close about to responsibility no my clubs you say about try to agree there but what do you say was here
no it was a good call from the president but the point is call no yet the call that is asking club owners say most of more responsibility and now the first responsibility lies on the club owners and the club the call yes. The first responsibility lies woman and sana if you so be any dia and sana mo media mo be mo dia and there is a very very good call but me Musa say even in his own club what is the situation yes. So it means that yes you can call the call but ne Canada it is easier said than that yen nyina yen kan Canada ye betimi aka but how yen fa ne said ne heya ya be ye kawia e kwan be so ne ye be fa ye be implement the outcome from today's dialogue okay e very important we betimi a dialogue simply means yen to agree yen pick the good ones yen fa mo aba na yen hu kwan ye betimi e dey improve the situation but ye are we going to see say yakasa wie wa ha say na ene oti ho are yesu susubribi any akosomo Crystal Palace na ball ye 2-0 amba wo ko na ye 2-0 ye be she back in 3rd minute ye be she back in 89th minute when that happens who are you deceiving?
That's right. George, you better was for this your time and you move you better translate now you can to an action. Say what say Adom TV and then you didn't say be free at the Abremo as a passport dialogue and they share so our credit centers.
Ghana for Asempa Sports Dialogue Series in Asan to hope you. Nandian Empany photo to Rabi or Board Bomoni Kitafo and Essing Kunya drinking Ghana football more pepper Masibrepa. Asempa Sports Dialogue Series. My Shawa Digital Center. Cycle. A Friday 24 February. Anopano watching. A fear same trade that's what. Getting fans back to the stadium. And Panyin Phobia and Yomudim Punim Point Madia Sene, Minister of Youth and Sports. Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. GFA President Uraketo Kreku. Former FA Vice Presidents. Mr. George Friye and Mr. Fred Papo. Ora Ashford Tetelku. NSA boss Professor Peter Chumesi. Football clubs are what one and Musifu. Hearts of folk Neko Toko Seconds Niom chapters Nina. Any P. Akaho. Kayo say free. Etia Tonsa Frobia. Samiasia. Our Accra Digital Center. 24 February 2023. Asempa Sports Dialogue Series. See you there.
Inti Ghana Digital Center na wote se Ghana Fokojo hostu mpemfa do madi ka be pimo nyame adoma no pe ya ane de hye so hye to nsa de afro bibia se wani ji agudie no ho otimpo bia na sa adwen bia betian sa boa ma Ghana agudie ukọ ayagopama no so a obon se fans no ho se ma na odwani etian sa akira se na ntempa so edi sansa so no Asempa Sports Dialogue Series we any the maiden edition now we a second major meeting with your audience and you share him second bias no you between abwa magana good so etin setumpon subsequently you never be ho yes and aba afinti ne mesrew ba bia wo bia no na do wani etin sa kira Adom TV so wasanti Adom FM na for wati Asempa 94.7 FM tika kira busuafo ne namfo yere o ma wo fase fo na nanam ne okurum se ene wiase ba be de isan se Ghana gudie no ye penipu masibre ye nto aso mfamfi ye UEFA Champions League matches awdo no so etin sa PPM na fi hwesa na nema esie kwa na se Manchester United for wo ma che Barcelona twam 2-1 e wo ma Kensi na fi Sunant enso eche Juventus se twa 3-1 e wo sa Kensi ne boni akoma hwesa na matches no esikoi League na matches ni se kɔ no and yɛde ho sunsun kakra it means say jaw na hyɛnsomam say European League fixtures no so weekend it was one interrupted EPL fixtures no and yɛde ho nkɔmɔ kakra so etia ba na fo na nneɛma ACL kɔ no obema ɛne akɔ efia day 24th of February Fulham beton said afɛ Wolverhampton Wanderers na the against na bɔ so memeda ayɛ ɔkyena Everton ton said afɛ Aston Villa Leeds United and Southampton BCS kan Leicester City beton said afɛ Arsenal na afɛ West Ham United ne Nottingham Forest ne Nottingham Newham AFC Bournemouth beton said afɛ Manchester City na afɛ Crystal Palace ana Jordan Pierre Ayew usina kan the Liverpool and the against the beating boss na afɛ Jordan one outstanding game beating about Tottenham Hotspur and Chelsea ana ebeshia esia kan ehonmti we EPL no yekomu na afia Spanish La Liga oti La Liga bia na Spain fo akensi no ene fia dai wo ehwanim se kwa bia so no niam ebetia sa toto ye ede amom ehon hyehya eno so etia sa PPM elche beton se afia Real Betis na de akensi na boso na afia memeda ochina Espanyol beton se afia Mallorca Cadiz ton se afia Rayo Vallecano na afia Real Madrid eton se afia Atletico Madrid na se the battle between the Madrids ana ebetia baso na afia Valencia ton se afia Real Sociedad na almost a kan kweseda 26th of February Atletico Bernabeu eton se afia Girona na omashia na afia Celta Vigo and Real Valladolid and ebishia Cameria and Barcelona and ebishia Canafi Sevilla eton se afia Osasuna Edwada and afia so Villarreal and so eton Santia Afre Getafe na almost edia boss we Spanish La Liga yenko Italian Serie A akensi no so 18 PM uko Italy ultimate sampa matches na nika ehonum omde ombehya ase abo no chena Empoli beton se friend Napoli to the battle between Oli for nkwa and the boss na Feliz and Sassuolo be chase akan kweseda Bologna former Steven Leroy Tornado appear Blasters captain the team back no woman Inter Milan be chase akan afin so Salitana won so ton sadia fe Monza Udinese enso ye Emmanuel Ajiman Badu da kodwa samamo omotwem ho de dada omone Spezia and be chase akan afi AC Milan and Atlanta e de boss Edwada Hellas Verona ton sadia fe Fiorentina na fi Lazio and Sampdoria fonso e de omakensi ne etimi aboso Itu na monko Germany dia omo matches na nasa league no on fen Bundesliga league na amanfo beka in the 80s na amanfo nim say Germany for the football no by football starting with China and England for be so mu and om de marabatabata ho and e fen association football Bundesliga ambo mechanical football my employ the services of black African young guys also eboa ene minus 05 beton say that for Borussia Mönchengladbach no me shisa kana fen so FC Cologne beton say that for Wolfsburg Hertha Berlin and FC Osberg Libisha RB Leipzig ton said afre Eintracht Frankfurt Werder Bremen beton said afre Bochum na fen so Hoffenheim Isaac Vosa abo team weda woman Borussia Dortmund and Bisha Kanafi Shaka 04 and VfB Stuttgart Bisha kan kweseda yapo asore no hwese na Mexico so na jude sum no na say SC Freiburg beton said afre Bayern 04 Leverkusen na omeshia na afre Bayern Munich beton said afre Union Berlin na omso edi aboso ehonum Afiyan ko French League 1 na afiyan hwese na ma ACL ko French League 1 ho na obi pio no yes the French abon PC onum ko votro ko lesi tubro ko na hye no somam se ne Lille Metropole beton se da fe Brest team omudin de pa Brest but a BREST Saturday Angers beton se da fe Lyon na afi Montpellier eton se da fe Lens omso da Kings ne tia boso ko se da Lorient ne ose be chese kan Ajaccio eton se da fe Troyes na afi Clermont-Foot and Strasbourg fo be chese kan Nantes beton se da fe Rennes na afi Reims eton se da fe Toulouse na afi Monaco any Nice nka hudina ka be ka se nice but a Nice inti Marseille enso ne Paris Saint-Germain and the Kings ne ebetua saboso we yes na niam abesia call French League ne mso and the hunsun so no etime seja medusi na madawase na Machel PUT adwumade dia for ni etime sanchim Ghana Digital Center ho and abodwa data eton seda fe stakeholders na se yemre mese besen kwan ko ebetia fa so na aboy agopama no so se be adwumade a yedi one expert je fast mestre na fe ceremony gel enroll ana omo attach me den the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace me so esu die sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment ya gise bia otimita fro ba twa asana ne sister yi ebetime dia yinsi entertainment mu komo ode ba no ya kansu ni en kansu kra no ana ode eba the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Moji mwenye responsibly ni adia na yedi akoto kwesiada ne kwesie no kwa sorry nyesa wo be chile Friday Saturday won kwa sorry osmo bonsem mom way on God straight up ochina jumadi bi because ye nuanu mienu bi kan hia na onim surprising tin omokro munim me na me surprise almost side anacho ababeko
Ocha yin na ebe ko mum na ye dia ho dia kwata o machi. Ebe ye fe by Monday you know when the crowd make about for now dear. A very very big surprise. Na ye da sorry ye no na abofra bi ye say owo emfie du baako. I think say wakunu ho. Oh. And okunu ho ne maame awoda na so sure let's Obi ever can comment and for say na akwala de na odwen ho utwa be wo hwe ba there bi. To be very honest, enkwala no fa depression bi mu a ho. Parents no mo hwe dem ho. Because I'm afraid no mo go school sa peer pressure. Any near ma say social no mo so. Iti get closer parents no awo phone me shemo. Mo get closer janom and nanom. Get closer to your words. Be their friend. Parents, no, let's put pride aside. Na yene mofra no entwetwe nkomo. Because your madam for asem no beka show won kwaje nsusu ye bia mfiri ne yonko any age mate honum. Dear parents, and pay me pamocho pa. Be your words friend. Ye na downfo. Na tete no. Na mofra ne nsoso no. Munye sutie. Mombe ma wo phone bibi ha wa kache mama. Na kache daddy. Wate? Fan share who age mates no near foot papa bia mo no emu to say wa e foot be no dey bro e bia na and me who comment obi so a single mothers no most at times no omo de omo bane papa ho abufuo etimi kwa akwala ne so but you see akwala na nya fault oti baby na akofa ne be wi say and children they are gifts from God Bible mu and etimi kan akwala asem de bia because emofra ho hia yankopon etine bia na papa na ye bibia ma na ye wja kakra me pacho don't extend the anger to mofrano omo ye gift ti hwa ho mo krokro mo pobini na kasa slide into our DMs ye ho honom edemamo ti awofo no me ne anope asema me ka kakra eno no per comment en kofo chocho ye no na me boaboa no aka kabi ta me single mother my son is 4 years ne papa ho ye me hi how akra ne de onye hye ti pacho me hyemo ti na be ayentete sa cases we no bebre no moma ye hwenka sa asem no na mento aso me ra ho pa akula 11 years na reho de ne nsem bone wo my there was Moses ra ho 11 years here cause she had her life ahead of her but wrote me abagana wrote me omo Naija you don't gas so yesterday you don't pass kokomlemle in front na him abante Nigeria ni akakotena US one thing I like about wrote me say otimika pidgin no switching my slangs but wo ametiwa what Ghana has say chi no you know asa won't asa what mommy ninji e kasa wrote me nie a rockstar to life so wow momo ma kwame agent e ba ni say kwame agent de ni romi kwame agent de no e romi enti e no mbe fa aye kokomlemle anim he ya Joy FM anim has say eti kwan bi as responsibly wa ba Ghana no ye beto action ne na twetwe nkomo because the kind of Nigeria ne motherland okọ honum also you don't need nobody. Ain't you know, wrote me. I beg na your sister day for this side. Oh yeah, come we could dance, eh? Welcome to Ghana. It's our food. The local food, you know. Na ba yen checho chika sanene ade. Nti abusia wrote me ni yen ho ne kwame ugin abrenra. On meche kwame ugin strategically was we high media house. Yen kofa ho mecha. Yes, ye cha. Eti bo me yen ho mo meche mo ha say. Ghana when no ba kuni. Eti no Montonche no collabo bi a monye ye ne ade because ni Neptunes e wo banga momma ye collabo because ya ono wa ma no ne sa ne bia na akoto chat so no nya coins kaka because say bibia digital to the good platforms ne so no na usu nya kakra say anyom tofo gatekeepers ye best siramo ye best wenye who you know wenye o minipa ye so bitimi ka so person ni obi yenyom obi si oh ada na ni we yenyom dropping up for sister Fia ne kan nyom to ne sister Fia gay ne kama say more sideline no ha e ne ya munyai wate eti munyai we who you know ni we ye madam fo no na moma ye nka mom ne nya ade na mo hwehwe ni mu kra dodo ye kan jo meton so hia ne ye wo social media wate wo se meboa o hia ne ye wo social media o chem kra mpa wo se honhom ne ni pakasa wakọ nya me ne fe honhom no da obone pono iti o che ne se o ge ne ta ba ni show but home ne kan na home girl minim no me dey no ye me wife it also a couple of na da major assembly craft in no Badwam ho pacho wa beken na momu hu senye ntro na onua be twa pacho be chim how we share here my.
You reach out to her in her inbox, or did somebody introduce her to you?
You know, this social media thing has helped. I think I was it. Who even reached out first? No, I think she reached out first.
Okay.
And this is when I had said that I had seen the person. In my spirit, I thought it was the person. We've never met, we've never spoken. So she doesn't even know I know her or anything. And then she just said, I think there was one of the events she came to, and then after the event, she just said, God bless you.
Yeah, I don't know. Home no kasa mpacho ya ti. Ya suti ma nyankopon. Ebia na but home so no kasa yesterday. Ochina nko sister Sandy. Me yere no meso me da me na ho. Mo abeye wo yere me no kra no yes asa home ni twantro. But ningi na ya yesuti. Ebia na mfem pade bi wo baby Badwam na achim no. Na ina kwa ye fiada no. When you said da ye man enkrofo akwenya no, we give them the platform to sell their talents. And they menya me aminu abe ma head this na no pink. Osase mo me eyi kakra. Ken frenzy. Akwaba. O fashion sense no. Oh. Hey, top notch. I like it. The shirt. What's that called Jemo? Yeah. Hey. Near me.
Oh, me a virgin so.
We a virgin. Only girl.
Me for bad that.
Me sa manager no.
Oh. Manager wait to me for bad that.
On fa or bad da.
Debbie. Full virgin pa.
Secondary virgin na size 2 virgin.
Just say yeah, woman and kasa me for be.
The whole. 20 something years on earth. Bad.
Me for bad.
Wow.
For bad.
Who try and transfer the ocean mensa?
Oh, Debbie.
Who try and try the ocean?
No, try the anya there me pekrampo.
We a virgin.
No cross and pan me catch on.
I'm not sure about you. Okay. Ebe ma akusia.
Bible says me embodia.
Eh, sing it.
Say me enswe.
Keep phrase that be sir. I can wa ha say. Mama nda no chewa Badwam ase wa ase. Wa hook me up. Wa na wa cha me mpaboa. Wa hook me up. Ya no chewa ba me da ase because enye wa ke Bianca I don't know what will happen. So big losses. Yo, see, Ken Frenzy to be shot for the very first time. Answer the video, no. Yeah. Who is Ken Frenzy?
Ken Frenzy will be fit takrade.
Okay.
Yeah, takrade. I start doing music almost about 17 to 19 years now. I've been in the game for so long. Give me the beat, give me the mic, make a murder them. Why you want? Hey, Sister Sandy,
give me the mic, give me the blues.
Because almost by 20 years in the media rap. Yeah.
Oh, okay, there.
Watch her.
Yeah, I see.
Watch her.
It's you be who watch when you know you type it there. Would you know Ken Frenzy? No, make us best spelling.
Okay. KINFRENZEE. All the social media, like you can just search my name on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Baby, how they bomidina my appeal. Yeah,
okay. You be streaming your number on the final words to fans, supporters,
and
investors.
I just wanna me encouraging Kofu the Arabo no easy. Yeah, ochara dan kro bedrodo. So BBO team says never give up. One day. Trust me. Sure. Oba happen to cry when you under.
Yeah, that's a UK no vibe you Musa. So in it. Thank you for coming.
But that's it.
Me sorry so I'm not sure about. At was na question Sian Dominic. Abeki Kim style baby. Evelyn no hemi akosia keswa na friend no former student of tech sec. I'm friend Mama Flexi or South Central J31. Or a beauty therapist and chakra no baby shop no was fantastic for. Me details no me sister. Mo kono nyem facial some massage ni ade mamo. One Martin na mechiamo na machiama ma akapu na ma menchama busuafo akwenya naba menchama busuafo mechiama ma akapu ono nso so wo Antivic ono nso so Cape Coast woni Airtel mungina mechiamu ye pa o ma awu mama part wo so wo damban abusuafo ne ye mo me sorry so Sandra Akapu dache hene Toshe Enoch Nina Osmosis omungina bo mechi dom ma mediju median ebremo Uncle Dom asembe nya abotre me pacho makrao.
Yeah, ma monyina akwaba biem sa ena wona dia akudem sem ebre Professor Enokwasi Wolanyo ase eno chi Sister Sandy be a guy
enso dia hosepa dwumadie enso ebre free sabre kopem se no nkro ebebo pense mu ebre enemidi de akwasi ensia ya fa na sekese enko enfama yes safari tissue there be amaka chiro se ope tissue papa emu edru na ebeboa se ne be ya unkotin fifre bebre na odi kakra bi pa enkoye twawanimu a eno ane safari tissue na mekafo ede amawo there be a ye ton tissues bi akwa se meka bi ato stations bi abeko bia no obenye bi ne bo nso e wo fom ye party pe bi na eto fa pepa wani fa pepa ompabo bi bia person de handkerchief e bia fa safari tissue eye na emu sanso na Franco Trading Enterprise there be a case phone papa na Josio en honom ope phone ya ne bo e wo phone e be che e de amawa eno a ne Franco Trading Enterprise for akache hwehwemo e wo enkran Kumase takra de bia beko bia no obenya onkrabatan bi wona boase na bia benyom na papa ni bi enso etimi atobejafo atrase be hyen komodie asamfa happy birthday koma Abdul Aziz head of unit test transmission elective commission for TVET and your birthday say happy birthday enko enfa ema we every for joy wo Adom 106.3 FM one no say me show happy birthday abejafo atrase de ebe she enkomodie no asia no mystery teacher a former deputy national communications officer a mining consultant Sir Anthony Kwaku Boy That's what I say. Say what go there.
Me hoye.
Ye de ya me ase.
Na so hoye de.
Ya me adumo.
Obra dure akola boy. Me omo matete omo yin nyina ono ne akola o ya akola boy.
Siadi.
Gozi.
Amanse boko.
Gozi ya me adumo amanse boko ne mu nkomo na e wachi no ye se.
Anything.
Ase mo ya ye se mamponkwa na se eye Ghana se Ashanti region na community watch was a community concern. I don't know what Shasia. Also Shasia free amansia. Any mampo de M tinka free A now be B now be C the bedroom go free ho a kobo so me frɛ ho na kokuo na ka ba tinka bedroom so no na bia ka fe no kra kwawie na mmom esanse o ye kontojinti o Shasia pa hu se buju ete ya na eh abuju do ba da won kan dia mo ya no mesra mo so yeso de concern aba momra me community concern bi e we ho ye so woni aba bibire wo say e showcase ye positives bibire wo a wo say de kire mo na e bi so negatives kakra mo so bitimi ahwe na mo bitimi aboa ya ahwe na ya ka ho say
okay enti chief producer Dominic
this ya brand
chief producer Dominic isi ebo a mepacho asemi dika estemo fa na amanse fo so mo wonsam a o mesa amanfo ete ho asem se fie hye
nyame adum bibia boko
party mo so boko
party boko assembliancy sasimasi mo sen kam na betting first sabi ke ba topics egu e ka beti turmoil in MPP na se monya ye no ba se ba ye
2015
ye ba ye mun kan hwe na se party no mujo kama
jede ya miasi Sir Anthony Kwaku Boahe
ninia
NDC mo boko
nyame adawro ma
na ochi penfo asha se for mo phones
his excellency John Dramani Mahama ne maba
okay
no nya na sanne
yeah
otumi kokofa ne forma
okay
Ghana fo nyina ni agye obi ehweta papa yi obeba be di NDC anim na nim madie pa a oyema Ghana fo nyina ebo na baso no obesa IPM
okay
nura so yenua no mobi nso ekokopeke o
form
mintumi mo mudin ko edin na ye ba akopɛ de Ghana for petia ne John Dramani Mahama
a former national deputy communications officer de ma NDC amayoko
me
I can see what party mu a
me ye campaigner ma his excellency John Dramani Mahama
okay
me
okay
crusader emano
okay
any aye no contest na ye mo bribing kofo me ka ho bi
okay
nti me figidi say hu nhia say omo beba no mebubo mu di because omo nyina e ba be ade up to say ade ene be beautiful na it says excellency John Dramani Mahama winning be historical ama ye nyina ye de ho ahyem na yɛtumi aboa na yɛdi nkonim yɛabɛgye Ghana for free how ne amane.
Okay, so it means Adam Paniphobia apeke forms Dr. Kwabenadu for ne Paniba could be our cow, Kojubon Sumo, your more fan, Kobia so abefa, on so form. And then our former President Mama, I make a fan forms man, as other Nana Kobia so abefa, Nedia. So, 1 or 2 years more to say, and there will be no contest for John Dramani Mahamano. Say, we want fetchly, abefa almost so forms. Does it mean say, Manomo to know a yayakwa, and I say you are still in talks?
And this year, Democratic Party.
Okay.
To obi bia owa ahotepe. Say opese obwa. Ema ye Democrats ne konanim no deep in obia no. Yen na wa too.
Okay.
Patron dem patron.
Yeah.
No ntino. Ye nuanom obi apeke forms. Ananka de e botae ne say anka omu nyina no be dey. E bejai. Nanka de wotumi I be pay a Ghana for nyina ehwe no no.
Okay.
Oh, dem patron no.
Yeah.
So we ba be free or you how nyama ne hom.
Sure.
Nanka omu nyina atumi a support no. But your party near Democratic ntino. Obi aba ya we show but just they are just coming to add up to the number. Nya dia Ghana for any NDC for nyina no. You be compromise ya de papa yewura why be pain ni akwa akofa sebe obi foforo nti mi gidi ese don taman mama de say ye mistake ni amfana ma Ghana for will never forgive her because only in this ni bia kata we Ghana ni bia kata especially you know when people we be no more kata do kan say hey don mama de mo nyana mo fa de mro mo nyana fa won say nyana mo kra mo ye spare parts de letter o mo abaso kan o ma tro letter kakra ka de akọ ne ho o mo diska kakra ka ho de akọbo ano say o fa nkoto ne forms yenu ya no mo asabi business administration yenu ya no mo ye business akese aketo nko ni ma free port ne habo omu nyina ediska kakra bre no say omwa na sabi o fa nkoto ne forms a o hwe timamufuo ene Ghanafuo na gige to okoto forms no e ma no if so mo gidie woni mu because be o man ye duro no ye nya wogefo e say Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ye dane ya chi pe wa hwa Ghana be tom na mu bi what to say damnanum okay e bon person be free so ya ba so kakra ba do betuma yi free amnanum de aba so no e ogefo ba ko pe mo pani John Dramani Mahama awa yi bi pen se sem no kata uko ye nuan be watu aboa omu nyine tu ebo na ba so se papa enye wanka ye ni adwuma ye ono abebie gas factory ma ye ne ye nya gas ye nya adwuma ye okọ ye nuan ma wo rate osuru ha omu nyine ebo na ba so ye nuan mo meto to adan me ko e meto to ne ma wo rate hospital ho omo ni gya agye obeduru ho ne ho aboma obi etade if you say otumi abie hospital ama adwuma ba ho ama mrante no ba wanye biye obekọ legon ne pharmacy for a ho the same confirm we require start be drugstore e ho because when me drugstore you know you try to be krum bebeto okay into mo bi drugstore kakran
we be David deep into
and so brenti we no nya hwe kokejeti akoko he you know no kokejeti akoko so obeduru ho se no mo nyina bona ba so say papa when me a store kakraka we am ene ke be dey kra yetumi ya no akoya yensa
so pen ya wo kan mean say asemo Richard Ahiagba Director of Communications, the NPP said the comeback of Jomama and more NPP huno. I will say bomu.
Oh no dear. Mina Richard. Enyo no.
Oh.
Ne si there too and I'm manager.
Ade.
Na we are see we won hwe de aba omia. E NPP party no. No won hwe no hwe no nsu. Ti say o hwe sa de na be bo aro pa. Because baby I didn't no near the bomb yakoye. It will be a whole da na yafu be fufro na ye bona baso. Sa pepe na Richard. And to call you Richard e kono. 7 yan and tokwa. A sosne no. But 7 ye piano no the track of tambre na ne community kakra o wono. Aye dey because can to come in general secretary. Jonkum Kudua.
Okay.
Let's a press conference to mu. E magana for hunu de yeko.
Okay.
Agent ba hwe baby ofri. Ne hwe baby ahia bre. What did they say?
Richard Ahiagba.
Me kakram ketrema me kamete. So hu nti saa ne akofa no. Na ye na be ye ne ma bone ye wi a ne ye di natam. na nka wa enye onwanwa se Richard to me bi na no e ka se mu e kire John Dramani Mahama ta John Dramani Mahama excellent oba wa anya hwe abra wo no ntumi fa ne some point ade ba akopɛ kura na Akufo-Addo atumi aye wo memwa and na me kura de metumi de meta bobo bi so Okolegon hospital say John Dramani Mahama na ye day secondary school so a John Mahama ade aba even kura 45 mponi wie ya
okay
hwe ni pe egum ko school hwe teacher ko ade adwuma brɛ wo mo ba ye emfie ensianie last 3 years ni teacher for yemfa wo omo kura ye fa wo last 3 years ni yesi enti omo ka nyemo program to on be ye dem on the letter by o mahene si enti omo ka 1 year ni enti omo ka omo ye demonstrating so dem patch 3 years no mo wie technical college for omo nursing training college omo mo akọ nursing a omo wie 4 years ni mo fa te wie be 3 years ni because of am better on chin ma ba be ye they say I want saying come what say na home service ni bi wa apply bi o say also offer na me bo an mo family me ba be ye na be say dey IMF no cry say this finance ni bi ent me dey me ni na so say be post to so dem because the senior screen post to
after 3 years already at nefi
yes ananka ne botane sa fin kai bi anke be post to no o frame me catch them say on the same call and come tie budget ne kura atene we o say budget na chem IMF condition ne to chete afrian finance bia because o mu su ade o mu ready nti afri nurse ni bia no be fa no John Mahama etisi hospitals se compounds be bree anke between them and them about we yakọ na ahia bre patch them say ni krom anwona university John Mahama si wo no Akufo-Addo ya bi wo ahia bre ni krom anwona ana university ni wo NDC abenso John Mahama ne Professor Tamisi si university ma o ma ni nua ko university wo no o patch Akufo-Addo ya bi wo ono wo beka se John Mahama de wontumi me yehwe onko bu na hafo nko buta homo se university na John Mahama si no ho no eso mfa so ne tai unu ni pa de adwuma bre ho bro ne me pa kire no enti se obie na no no kasa ai se o chete unu ne ho no wo tsere ana nyi ono a ya to no to nko ka bi se ba o mi ntumi nkasa Akufo-Addo ntumi nkasa enti wono anwonani ye piano wa akoka de yenka nkanye sa nka Ghana ha my partner 7 na dwene pass ni tiri mo fo mo a 7 pa adwen pa woni tiri mo be ka ta John Mahama nyewe aji so bi a 7 ni table form aji 7 obi a 7 ya ntete na ofie
Kwaku John Mahama a winnable candidate
nyame adawro ma party be to abama no ba be deep NDC ni pa obi di NDC ni mo Ghana fo nyina esufre na me ba traffic nkofo bi home o se politics fo gina mi o
okay
me be politics fo gina mi o mu te kokobu a because once Melance say o mu mi kokobu a o se mu ni atwa mo kokobu kokoko o da bro kwa bi nyame o so kwa no TV on ana se na to mo ta mo ni ta me Friday TV me ba to o so kwa no TV o se o se kan na kwa na ya ile
please for so mu here NDC
o mo say me ti ni pa mi ensa na game numbers e wo kwa to ameba
wow
na me enu say me ko program bi sa me do na politics fo gina me tata no mu gina cars ya e di bon so mu te car na ye mo no na wo taste kakra o ye ya no mo gina o mu gina me o mo ti Kwaku na o ko na so me ko yo se fa number my why na mo ana ye twen mo me dunya me ka me papa nai te sei eni da so asa abamu abu de Ghana ni bia hwehwe ne se eni da so no John Mahama be ba no ata be restore ne back ma ne ho to no na ne ho to no a ye nyina ayabo empire akatampa yakopon oye bia magana for
baba bia what is left for John Dramani Mahama to accomplish within the next 4 years on yakwanya
de John Mahama be ye amagana akona ni mo ne se keta se project sikadie kankan on supervisor on so pretend sisi kaya di ensa boom edit said the 7 yakopon ni wiase 7 Ghana ni wo ye nwene ho ye wiadi it said the 7 ye ni abo
under Nana Akufo-Addo ye the some appointees okay
so o butam the ntia John Mahama o ti mama ke kama kwacho
ye obo corruption na make sure say
nti
Nana Akufo-Addo some former appointees of John Mahama ko gina court based on this issue here
me say John Mahama ba keta se project sikadie kankan ya e dia akwa akoto amene mu no on so pretend bi o man nsi biem e benya value for money me fa so ba do mama ba family and friends abusuafo a ye de o man na hye o monsa a omu di dwirimu kura na president otakonya so se omu ni because ni nua na wo abusuafo no wo de obumpe no mbe ye because o ntumi nkom atam no e bi nsi biem your mama ba sa kankan pro ya e kwato sikadie dream kankan e bi te se okọ bust ni atumi ni padat ni woni abandaye na ye wo yira yakwa akotu aba na yakwa akoto ba ye ba beton no head asay no no aton no fofofo no nye sika gudubuto your mama ba sa ne man e bi nsi biem your mama ba see electricity PDS electricity a if you come from a peso I adwuma wa electricity company of Ghana I adwuma wa Ghana ha ame nkania omo na saji giska na akufo ado aba woni ba omia no akokoti company the company me di giska no no fema MPP for en na na da akufo ado no ba omia no omuni na ebepem ne o ma jeje electricity about 7 months die tika ya jeje ye hunu ba bia wo company no so agu ye hunu ye nchi obi antum do mama ba ane ma bone no on so pretend bim do mama ba tani nia wadene ko finance minister no waje besia bebrebe efisa besia bi obati bia no ne de da so efisa wono na ne wo fa asen so law firm god watch da akon law firm and the hwete e be tron krata ne de ato so wote ye kwaje besia into ono so ya no waje ne percentage as a lawyer waje to on the consult owia na bank no so a edi agina mu tie nkonkwaje besia no e kan ofuri atana na ado dan kokufu ado ne wo fa ase papa a we minister no so ahwe no so at percentage na besian ye de ba ebu be 50% akwaku de kufu ado ni nua na busu afo nsem na de aka no ye fa nya adwuma bia your mama ba only ministers 125 na ba ku bia ye ntwa ne ka kese ye han dan ma no ye ntoka ma no ye chese ye ni sika ne police for guide no nyina no your mama ba sa de ma nyina to be dey to be tried your mama ba
ye ma ministers a dime
bebrebe
okay
bebrebe sa no
okay
onye sa de ne da because only 50 per kura free mu a say 50 no a so we be 180 per and we 80 per 50 ne guso no menia it me fa Ghana for adwuma for more than 200 yes 200,000
okay
and 200,000 50 penny guso no it me for Ghana adwuma for 200,000
okay mo emoluments ni bia bomwa it be create adwuma for deeper 200,000 e do benya ska be say
ba ku bia land cruiser no e 10 million e 10 billion land cruiser na e to mo dey no 10 billion teacher ni pay e 1,004 14 million e say 1,004
yeah
e je be for teacher for say land cruiser no kwa e for teacher say 10 billion na o GP e say 1,004
okay
e be for ni pass e be for net for say Saluka na de amanu ni 6 billion Saluka no kran e for teacher for say wadwuma e dan ya ko han ma no wo prime area because minister na yi no sanitation and BBB minister no ni dan man because nya sanitation minister Ghana hada ya ko han office man no ya sa ko to dan man no an wo tene mu ana ya han ana ya disi kaketi etua bo so meka sika na di tua kan unum ayifo apolitifo e fa wo unum net ayi atojafo e fa wo nso ya da fa san kofo we no nyina no mobile o ma bonti o ma be se Ghana dia kwa kocha di chim your mama ba onye sa de ne da your mama ba bato mi amwe your mama ba o ti free day schools no we day school secretariat unzi ka say day school secretariat yi o na ehwe so am schools no ba ku fa do ba yi adwonbone woni dirimo ne ba o mienti what we the free secondary school aba we free secondary school secretariat a minister of education wo GS wo what say secretary atolan kusa mo ya mo office a mo district bia omo na ehwe so say free secondary school tantan ye nkwala nya duane ni a me ba e ko secondary school one month
tier classified free senior high school say
time me ba ni ko school 1 month obi different 2.5 months or start extra classes in there or secondary school form 2 or ko school 15 January and wa po me kwan
what you about here no ntimi fa ne baby ko school na because of free senior high school ti
na wa benya kwanya ko no ba no bon me ba no every month bia me spend 1,000 to start classes because six classes 6 subjects ya we start classes every month bia 200 Ghana enti etem no yesai en na ba ko me ga the letter ba ko send me say aka ne de me send them no ko 1 month pe no ba ko send me de say aka no na de enti me send ni sika ma
o ma say
enti month bia
as a two no
me ba ko pe me te ba ko 6 subject na wo ye me 6 subject extra classes a month bia 200 o hanya obebon ontumi nko ono kwa na nkwala ye wa me kwan so okodi 1 month obefie obeko school April 2 months no obedi lo fie omo ye extra classes almost started there omo kwa last week
academic calendar na ye challenge and free SHS na ye
bogus omo mo adwene mu holo adwene an kuto dam ana omo yeta omo implement it at secondary school
David
ye wo oko SS oko SS
because many upon senior high school
ubetuma bo senior na ase won dedi o senior na ase won wo form 1 so no won muti na ase won no ni eni akola bie nwa o senior school because form 1 focus school nko form 2 focus school nko form 3 focus school nko ento bia ni senior
the institution so ye disua no
enti any day enti ye wo ye obi a classmate obi a seniors at 7 so we school po na so uko university kura no no wie utubi kon what senior and o ye adwuma mu pani a senior na me na me sebu o enti permission baby akola bia ni senior bia o Ghana ha e what secondary school onim form 3 ni akro form 1 onim form 2 ni akro form 1 enu form 3 ni do form 2
former national deputy communications officer
onim say me ka kira onim say na me adwuma inspected board national inspected board almost all the secondary school academy na me lead team akwa inspected the way omo kira de
me da se kwako me da se
akufo adba oyi me dina say ya me ka kira say ukona teacher for ne ka o hawa omo komwa achirewa ono tabe good thing was
kwako boy me da se CID come back of Johama Emoyehu NPP obia 2016 mutwini mu about getting to 1 million votes actually parliamentary seat they come back in 2020 obe close gap baby a one win obe win ye eme ko wi akire MP kura no mu che mu pe e o mrashe wi afiem de ne mane mo mu
wazi medase kokubu ahen de oni tia se propaganda no adidi ni mojem ontimi nyaye na nse na mekọ topic no so no se kwaku ekwan na no yi no portals bibra bebe ma ma mehwe na memfele na Mr. Kwaku aban so ye free education o say awufobia mfa ne banku school free me ye Kwaku bu ahen mu ni se de aban ne ye no emwa me ba no okay fa no school for free
okay
so wo akadia no say o ka say oboka
Ghana schools na idea
oboka ta anya no kre ye wo private ye wo private senior high schools e wo ho you are aware me in private senior high schools be bree
me mpeno
e wo my yes you have options you see say adia we need options there and I say e bi aban na chekire won sa aguachi
okay
I to say ebra president Kufo de metro mass cars ne buy so de buy na metro mass ne bo efo so far udu kejetia na metro mass si wo kwa abu akwa wanfro na akokofro trotra eno ne bo odin chen metro mass you cannot blame the government say wa ma bia car sika bo ayedin ayedin now the government say school kwa mun ko ni free
okay
into ahwe o to school uniform ma oba ehye enfia ho kakra 1002 a utua no se bosumi o se den dia ma oba no dia kosu dia ye free extra class so untumi dia na so wo hu ska e me no condemn free education no se me Kwaku bu ahen a mentra ha nkasa wo me wo hu akade a mitimi bo me ba hu kai die me de ba ko private senior high school na the GIS na wo ho no Ghana International School no
enye papa
Ghana International School enye school
enye papa
so betimi do ba ko betimi do ba ko
okay
enti ade a wo
enya afako ba bi eye
exactly
me mpe private
enti no wini
wini chame ye ya kwesi enti me va me ban ko ankran wa bra ban ne dia ye tax ne dia ye wa ba ne tantan me tax na bitua na e to ba
Mr. o kasa wa mbem Mr.
enti butan question
David Mr. o kasa wa mbem yanko
kwesi se ye nyini no ade ye mu bia me ani ade anji so hono no o hwe o mo TV so a kiki asama okay Kwaku bo ahen kasa no se obi e hwe a no obaji se obi ani studio ase mu yenu pewu bi edi na me fa pen ne paper ana me jot down me points bia me pese ovia me
yanko ombambiem
na me kasa de a
Bakupe punchline bakupe na untimi nyina nu. And one chain dey be isuso. Ebiem o say free SHS tantan. Na yati secretariat na court district bi ho. Let me state it here. Say free SHS secretariat e bi ni district BM.
Nya district BM.
District bakukura ni wa free SHS secretariat.
Okay.
I am speaking as the district chief executive and the chairman for District Education Oversight Committee. So who do you know? District Education Oversight Committee. To be a fair education or district will be a mini seminar.
So for example, Amansia South District.
And Amansia South District on Kwa. But district be a Ghana be
a fair free senior high school secretariat.
National
Kokuma program you nkoso
obemna koso yanko.
Okay. Oyasa meye ni bio. Me di kan what you say. I'm speaking as a district chief executive who chairs the District Education Oversight Committee. Say district be any Ghana ha you were free SHS secretariat. Put that on. It's there.
Okay.
But you will do national.
Now,
they say you name say you were national secretariat for free senior high school.
Into more demand on one down for district. It's down on the way. It's down on the way.
Yeah, clarify.
It's over the free crime. Echo school to be our district.
Yanko Yeni.
And the Montomo Bob Ghana.
CID.
Munni district. It will be national to la
kumedasi. CID. Kwaku. Demesro.
Ama motan time be grade.
Kwaku debi.
Kwasi
CID.
Kwaku boy honim de oyo. Wanye yo se honim de oyo. Otie honim de oyo. Ko honim sensem na meka no. Ghana for it here.
Ni also bia etie no pa bi obeti. CID.
Okay. Now, what's also can say be say budget say yemfa nurses.
Yeah.
Na obi a nurse not fia na nyama hye no.
Sure.
Because you no so nya ne kore.
Okay.
Even ya hu hia mpo. IMF conditionality be anywhere they ban ebeto say yem recruit health personnel enya no kore. Ko yare de obi aba akogya ayarehwe ne ayaresa.
Okay.
Nti no ntumi nka say any security.
Okay.
Nti no so yem fan to say eni ba bia say yem fan nurses oboa.
Okay.
O ka tum kwa.
Eti eno no yen hwa de wa ha. Under John Dramani Mahama Abra na Ghana Eco IMF na the then finance minister Secretary Commerce Jefe no Assemble ko ka kire say there will be net freeze on employment. Yeja ebimuom a police for
yes
a nurse for
exactly
a teacher for
exactly
can operate
essential
services parliament or say there will be freeze on employment. This one I French was shown Yabano because Secretary was clear, said there will be net freeze. Ken Ofrata said there will be freeze. And I know I'm a Dr. Gideon Boakon Edi Nkomo Hanum no. Or can say government going forward will clarify. Because he knows say it's not going to be a total freeze.
Exactly.
But the challenge here, how the finance minister communicated it. Our Machine your film said there will be freeze on employment. O kan sala no ja tum say obi abetim dia to ebia so. But between ye bia nyina so nim say the essential services be one more untimi fa total freeze.
Exactly. And that is a position.
Yes.
Because you see it's just because also mamu bi o. Where the super glue better one no. It's just a matter of semantics.
Okay.
How I'll be cancelled.
Okay.
However, I'll pay explanation. Until I'm afraid ba.
Okay.
Mo set so. Maybe and say me be who I am babeka. Only Dr. Gideon Boakasa. I listened to that interview. Or church mu. Until there's a spokesperson for the finance ministry. Document now about a public document too. Go online and the whole bit me I can be. Wherever you think you have issues, ubisa ebetire.
Okay.
And they say what they historical antecedents about the council. Whenever there is a freeze on employment, essential services, you have to so.
Okay.
Because they say, oh, because you tell you are now call hospital. What you can say, doctor, you say you have a doctor, and into where you no. And you know, so because Kubai, Yabuti, who did a chair as a topic that they are told. Now, NPP buy a year, John Mahama, na BBA, ye buy, some of Kubai, you buy a year. As you know, made a share free tamale.
Okay.
And him say, Ansana MPP bano. na tamale interchange omu hu bi wo ho
okay
ene ye interchange
okay
ana me boa okay ya e free Ashanti region Kumasi airport na ye hu airport a so a kono a chese woni nam ho a ene when was the last time I go Kumasi airport
international standard
fine me shada man for international kwa kan okay. But when was the last time I go Kumasi airport kosi kwana kohwe dwumadi a MPP aban edi wo Kumasi airport
okay
udu ho be bi onum say hey Kumasi ni enti so ka che me say ye ba ye nye hwe a ye damase abato ni bedru number 2 ebio ye maaye no nka na wu pon yi uwi abe frɛ wo yere bisan sɛ light wo fie
okay
na wunye bia na kwasi mi ni udi nkomo
mi ti opa
sɛ mi ni udi nkomo so bisan question me ya no so bisan me ya no
eti na mi ti opa
wo frɛ
oh yes bibia koso
odo ewu na
espe wo ko
na wo light
wo ho to be so be show phone so cry say timetable no
exactly I thought that timetable no cry no ye ni so
okay
Oma we mu na ne yeti yankota Kosovo
okay
Oma we mu na ne yeti anaka ne ni wa sabi se obi kura ko hospital kura itimi dum hospital kania
okay
na oh yes ye surgery na bibi kura minor surgery say ya so mobile phone touchlight ne dia ene dum so hu bi under the watch of NPP Minister for Energy
okay.
Dr. Matopoku Prempe and me say no hu bi woda bi bisa dum so I be do light now we prepared nasa we do light now prepared nasa
okay so what do you also make of this argument say MPP by na energy sector no enye blank for dum so na John Mahama den hye egu akwam car power yenye etuabo gas yem toto enema ngu akwam so it became easy for NPP say senior John Mahama beto no John Mahama Atames beto no from Kofo no enye sa na Akufo-Addo Bawumia ebeto no under Atames John Mahama but changes bemu amen the car power no kra no ye movie kra ko Ashanti region to help Sasantiman ebenya kanea amana gina so yi
nanti omuni we nyina ya
okay
question also omo ka asem na also bi so omo say e ba ne say na omo tena ho mo so ntimi anyama light na stabilized after thoughts asa wa court na here di asem na wi na ugina court na no na udi hu abobo keke ka de opi even record dem won ka
after thought me ko fa car power by
after thought na ma omo ka ansem no
okay
say omo na di ne magu akwan mu na hwanwa na say ne kwame nkroma mu ni je bi dan kwamo na di ne magu akwan mu na ne ye te ha itimi kwa atena akasa
okay
ana nti Adam and Eve mo our Garden of Eden omo yankopon na we video mu ye bibia omo ana buama nei ye kura ye ni petimi sha atade
okay
Kenan Abel ni nuanom ye kan samu a we ode ne nam say John Mahama de ne magu akwam nti John Mahama nso ba no na obi nso fa ne magu akwam mana ye ka de
what is solve situation
exactly
okay
so if indeed you have that know-how you have that technique to have resolved the issue e ba say na otna ho I want to me anye my be buy I feel the oil knows oh ye kwa na ye na sansem ne de go and tell this to the Marines ye ma metna ha na o meka sem bia na ye nyintum tra na ye nko na
you can ask John Mahama more MPP who kra
John Mahama
yes
John Mahama you say oba mema ni fie
okay
ana sabi kwahwe akwa bia timi bono no yi achia
okay
ye o mema we fie we santini asema maka no
yes it was a
nursing training allowance omu twam nurse fo omu kosua de omu bre omu nya chese do be hwehwe omu kwa no omu nya no enei wo ho a we se ayi nurse fo ni teacher fo yi no ma alawana bo na ni ji aba no
na wa ne ko tambe alawana ne ko tambe
se ankokora de enyo
okay
ne wo se wo se konde ne ko kina
any issue
onye
matwa say
okay no afena me ba John Mahama sem so kokubu ka 32 minutes
me Charles ne be say
me ya de bia ba sese
no obeba na me diesel engine ebejo o de ma family bi nfa
1 minute
you see
1 minute yeah
ya kwa bato John Mahama the comeback of John Mahama no
yeah
I say obi a ya ma no ntwemu na ya say onton ntwemu no kun oton oboka wantime anya usika kwara ile to ntwe no
okay
na ya made no
na abeto atem
o de ba be ye kibab no enu mom na obetimi ade anya mfaso
sia de bacho so
betimi aka John Mahama
brasi manhwe akwa bia fa yetoa enkomodie no eso ewo bedwem pese mu enso enie kwaku TMC awie John Mahama comeback ene ewo ensem this week and now say enka penifo bi free Ministry of Finance eko China na ye ne China penifo kasa ewe se eka ya edi omo no omo de beche yen say ye kasa Ghana eka ya edi o de call dollars around 39 billion US dollars. China for nko ade wom about 1.7 billion US dollars. Na by hwem se betimi no wakọ kasa na omode wo ka no e de ache ba bi betwe mu nti empenfo atu de akwa the month of March. Na ese de bi mu ebisa ayese ye koye na ya no fafa se omfa ye ka enche ye ana se ye koyi ye kutabibi e wo yensem ya e de ko se mudi eche ye we na Ghana ban so ebeye e de amamo. This is at the backdrop of Abra Yeche Aisha 1 na yejai Aisha 1 asemu a former senior minister honorable Yosaf Mafo kokan abrochi memu esi yejai Aisha 1 Ghana for entiase to de bina se pesika bi de free amone ne there are certain conditions enye ne nyina na kama amanfo ete amanfo call for openness ewo China car ye pese omode eche eho ye pese ye boama ye car ye de no eba from ne yetime secure $3 billion facility from IMF. Sena yankon kwaku.
Me fair time no about 8:26. Me fair time.
Me give you say Usha maya omne China akosa negotiations we na.
Okay.
Omon kwana uro sa. Na China for nso ye serious people. Nya de say ode ne car. Obehwe ni ma ka kiro say ebia or the Canada. Actually, there must be a condition be favorable to them. Must be to me. Aye. Say what memoha and you I say cyanohydro.
Cyanohydro.
And I said, "Nah, when I'm
China, correct.
China for.
Yeah.
And I'm can say, I'm about be two. You good the memoha.
Yeah.
No mama be big kakra. Meboa.
Sure.
Be we
your voice kakra mkoko.
Be we are here. I am farmer ye enema a omo pomo sanka no ana akwanya omo de to ho nyina no eto ayede eko
okay
onim se sense join da mama peso ye ne China for omo ka so mbeba bebo aya ma ayi road at the end there no den water rage ho road ne kopem no for no brother
yeah
Eastern corridor
yeah
omo ye se omo de mai omo ba be sa kwa na mai ana omo se na start time omo dia
yeah start time the China and India
na project wo ho so omo ye mo meet conditionality no ana ye dey ye gi free omo sem omo de me party no
okay
I was part of delegation China for tons of friends for say on person ye ba ye best China president
okay
omo de me party na me kan ho me ko bi eye me Dr. Potofe okwanyi do James Asante ana the deputy then woman organizer sata no mu twa condition no ye koy reasons omo de maye ni nyina na kire say project na ye je from ntem nti start time project no because e start am head office nyina ene general manager ni nyina kokochi ai
okay
on dem pa kire no ye ni CEO ni kokochi ai ye ni president ni chi ai conditions ya no de mai ai tata na me hu sa ai sa phone conference ai sa Huawei
yeah
Huawei phone afina na sa omu latest one bi aba obi di bi be che e wo China
okay
Ghana ni no test aba no be che bi so dem pa no na reasons omo dem aye ni nyina say invitation dem aye ni nyina na kire say sa project no ene adwuma bi a omo pese ye dem a omo ayamfa amo omo nti no ana sa kwan ne da so da omo meye I joined them a okay. And they invited us, being the national chairman, what the party no more. On the party, no, he can influence something.
Okay.
You can't so. And they were as someone in the class in Jamaica, but the party says China on Fanadia Mauka. Omode sa no hydro ima yenya ba o mi aba ya out no Odu airport wa ekushia no boy and some menu gido wa ko na mo radio so etwa ba ya Jessica bibri ebe bia ne nam
enam hefa
see my scarama scan ko mu say 2% craba
oh but me scan be a project o
way
me wo Ghana News Agency September 26 2022 VIP Baumia commissions 22 kilometers Sino Hydro Cape Coast inner city roads
and away ako Cape Coast akọhwe
se enyen tro
akọhwe na tikana ba away scan kwam say dia be dru Ghana ha enu 2%
when you cut so the way you commission
or commission away
Cape Coast inner city roads
Cape Coast ni ma mem ko UCC Cape Coast inner city road near Yagu Hoko Tare Dada. If that's fat no the goods so they are fine. Cape Coast inner city wako we kwana way nti ba omi anso kasa awogidi
akwaku
o trust no
onye wo vice president the second in command
apu to ba omi kasa me meni ato nche on se economy be be na we wakasa ho nyo na ka tiro say fundamentals ni week ya economy no will expose you so be bia inflation na
but a fact says Sino Hydro no ye di
bia ba me patro say me bia ba de minimum say bia ba
ye na me say bia ba no
the air ba no about 400 something million and work kan
okay
say na ba be dro
okay nya no do na ye hwe ni mu na aba no
ana me patro say the aba mpokwe bi kure no 2%
baby aba
me kasa ban kasa bi mai
okay
something din ka say
okay
the aba mpo no enu 2% because China ni mfa na de ma wokwa
okay
but join them patro no enti okono let's put something on the paper now odwen at the back of your mind say ade na me no moko kan nya de ho de be cha me kwa
okay
because to akoje besia no aba bedi mfa so amaso no no ogege sika ana so bobo an sika no no wodi ya o na me pa che no ko benya bi di ama be na se ba omia na akufu ado ene kenokure ata omo nwene Ghana fo mu obi enti no omo gi sika ni nyina no mo ba bedi but I said sika ya $3 billion omo so omo konya ya writing off we but I said
1.7 billion
1.7 but I said project be na de ye enti onyini ye sese kan di we commanded sugar factory in poa nke bia nke to ati chire no so ni musa ke binya fa 12 tete de adwuma to ba bere nkofo yenu anum na omo ye adwuma wo ho no omo kokuru makoto ne ma enti okokuru wo kotata de ndo tata de nto benye school tu atase awo nsuro okokuru makoto taade ni milk de oton milk ne saade no jo no ono so obenye ska wo no otu atase awo nsuro but tena mo say adwum boninti eja factory na to ani akoji ska ni abedi ye di tu gidi ye sense nka na danko kufa do China futsike ananka ni kromo baby light baby wo no ebu akwa jonche wan bro say enyina mu ase jonche no ko kufa do fa no a oye minister for road no ko akwata no ne wo paate no o sa minister for road o de jonche kokura senkensi factory kase pa wo ani amfa nko
junction
ne so onta wo do ana e ho che pa wo so mo say ho che pa onta land so wo chire ho yenti factory kakraka
e wo sa ne bi
so kufa do factory na de ho unum de oboye no ho pa bode
okay
e ho bode pa ho pa wo do onta wo do na bode egugu ta jonche wo no na nke enye bode chips ni nto bi kura ma no ne kufa do no fa ate no egu che bi no nyina no ko menya dwumaye
okay
wanye akoji sika na bedi o sorry ha o se afi na me ko ne afenche o do nsa botika mu saa ye tufo se da bi o ministers ne donso enye saa na ye no wo mua na mo nso so ata na wo yi na efe be na wo no ye ka o se president no so president what ni pado no betumi no boye adwuma na ete ka adwuma no na o ma bon nti na de enu ba bi aduri
kokumidas
eni pado do no a o mo to mu hia no na de enu ba bi aduri so ne ba cha na eta edam ne mu no enti me ten na negotiation no
okay
so wan fa bibi papa bi ankwa because mo nyi ken for the attendi
China for no
apu o mo nyi ken for the attendi ba akokra o mo peto behu nanim na se omo mpeto be hu kan for ata na nim kura entina omo postpone no tell be ya obe resign na ebe yi na die ana kufu anu tun yi na di na nipa foforo aba o benya didie trust woni mu no maka sampa ensem ye no kan yi die ade abedi because the minister no be cut a haircut yenu anu pensioners yenu anu omo do mutika koto bonds omo depend on bonds no a se be omo di edidi wo ho no enya de ade ensa beka na so da no wati na do ta kokoka oh we can offer time to me begina timpe so IMF de o abekọ IMF no no abon onya ade ye nkọ IMF omo nyina nzo monito to nta na se chi otwa wo na sa akọ IMF amamuo ne ye tantantan na akọ IMF awi do kwata na fo wa atuma no mo beka no to ava bibi papa to tebu so medi wadi
bera se bi koko boy
nya person with credibility
koko mi da se
anta no mo tumi ahwe
okay
I asan bibi papa ma
debt cancellation
kwasi medase mamenka na ahwefo eni bia obi onim enso ente se hydro projects no ekoso
okay
one mame mawo kwan ba kwa de hydro aya koku se na wo de na wo national executive of your party ti no minim se wato o man mu nyina just se kan do the papa se Nkwanta road
the Volta region
the Volta and Hokanya Volta Uti region hydro project
okay sa kwan no
me say just se kan
na vice president ko commission ye no
yes
okay
just se kan do the papa se Nkwanta road hydro project
okay
you can check from anywhere
okay
nti so beka say sika no ye hu ba bia fa na se do beka no akwagia bedi in one breath or say sika no ama be ba kwa kakra bi de bae afiko ade wo say ukwaje bae a wabidi asika no ne dia yakwan nti yenu anu wo jase kan do di papa se Nkwanta o mahu se ayo mo kwan amom na wote ya na wo kasa nti eto aba na olusu a odwunu wa wonte ase ebi no now kwasi loan ye kan loan no ase ye kan brofo na ya ade hu bi kwasi ye bosan abo
okay
ati se wote hai na opese wo project bi bia opese wo si ofie opese wo kotoka bi opese wo yere kra na bia opese wo boni dwetire ni ade na usike wo ho enso a kwan no wo so wutimi kokogye bosan sana abrabonete sika wo ho nyina abeso a wo so de a no obi ani asem wo ma so a na wakọ de obe so sika wo ho so a kwasi woni obi ani asem because obi meka nche say ada na nura wa nantem ti kura bosan me mfa ma
okay
ana say kwasi na wo kura obi a wo si wu ni sika wakọ wo be 7
yeah
ebe do ho nkyere wo ti sika no kura me na mfa ma
sure
minimum panyi bia o ka say obami iska opposition time no so ye drew nkran ya mfre no enti ye ba ye na mo ye drew akra ne frɛ no so o be frɛ back
okay
enti ye twe wa ya mfre so be 2 hours ye frɛ na no pick ye fa mu ni ye introduce yo masa mo ye kwa ma nya accident ka ma drive no ahana mo ka je za mo katekọ
ye twa so
ni skani ko ja semi nyina ne say
okay
se woni ska
okay
ase no amanfo hyehyehye emra dey edema Ghana ye developing country o man na team no ye ho so ye depend on amanaman ni bi so mpo omo say omo ye ayi kan say omo aso omo ho so no kwasi omo kora no to da omo so kwaje bosia
yes
na da America kora so odika America so je bosia oboka enti miamen ka say bosia bia ni ho a conditions enim
okay
say grants or the chawa no
any different
but once o call for loan loan facility conditions either condition precedent or condition subsequent say bia condition precedent so muni kan fa bia mu koko mra mu de badia ne hu say sika no kwede mamu a mu betimi ede atua na say mu di sia wawa
okay
ne di sika na mamu condition subsequent sika ne de be mamu ne wo ya de mamu wi a afi bia no mu hwe say e bia muntua nursing training allowance biu
yeah
nursing training allowance mutua bia ebomoka
20 me twa me ka no
exactly
okay
and your condition subsequent ti kwasi ya tase ne akiremu say ya na de o hweye no ne de o tie na hu say say ebosun abo loan e ka loan kanye ye ebosun abo e ko bank e kokoye yi o ko bank say o kwaje bosun a o du a bank na be ka say kofa bia o dan papers bi bra
yeah
oni dan papers a baka say bia kofo obi mani media dia mu mawo kokuba yin say odun kokko dia mu a omo fasika ne mawo bisano
CID so akwaji loan na de kwaku ye o reference a
and this ni bia no ade ne be come ne be mawo fi so omunji omuni wuti we wunni so wunnim so wonje ndisi fo ni say ndisi fo pa say yen sanfa o man we ma wo mo and say we ana ye nyina asensan say ate ase say de nyina therefore ante yeko e can say the earthquake si say sanfa membo insan man ndisi fo ene ne ho na pan earthquake eno no tu be hwe obi a ono wo trustworthy o mu gini di na ko se bank ne ma usika no that is the point
okay
enti enye news aba say bi a obi kwaje bosia na say
CID Fachame menya message be from Ora Alote Jacobs former NDC Central Regional Chairman. Yeah. Offer Kokuso Chia. Osia kwesi good morning. Sino Hydro project in Cape Coast completed and commissioned via Ebubonko Cape Coast Technical University Road. Kwa Pro Akotuchin Kwesipra Apiosika and Aifua roads were commissioned by Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. These are the areas.
ne kwan no kwan da dan e factory ne
kwasi ye nyina empanifo ka asem bi ofie mo se obomu chichie
yes
oba be ka chew se odanche magu a nyina anka asem a na message ya the former regional chairman for Central Region
Central Region
NDC ni
Central Region
where NDC founding member in the region Edia Bay wan fa ma me ka say asema me metie ka no me buo ne mom oba be fo so kura san ma me enough evidence actually say krowe apreska de obi okọ UCC bia nim
okay
sa kwan na futuro pa ene yaye
wan ko UCC
una hostel uzi na hostel ho
me ko say na me tia poska 1 and 2 third and na me ko ni ho
enti anka uteria ben kanwa say masisa men krata na mapo
okay
eti you ko say
me ka say no hydro project na it's can be my ana me ti kakraba
o say yedi
yes na me to kakraba
na yedi
na muni
aka yedi ere ko ye kwan
apu
yedi aka ere ko ye kwan so enti kwasi Ghana for in 2020 ye ko to aba
okay
omo NPP omo NDC omo CPP parties bebre Ghana for say MPP ani esaji mudi mo samra meto aso but ye me tra na me ka say e ma ne die say die bibia ye bibia wu no
okay
because we accept responsibilities ye na mo dia de na ma ye say yenye ana ye meboa ye ya de na ye metra me ka say we accept responsibilities. However, so once I accept responsibilities, now say me put measures in place. You also bet me the one ye save situation. No, I'm Ghana for what home. I been ye say you call China for honey no makokasa. Eduomoka, yes. Under the international protocols, no, who join this UNA ina. So, oho chirewa, akonya bi wo ho a, utimi fa ho, e de koka say nyina wache. Pesa ko for ba ebisi.
Hepic.
Ye sika kai de cheye. And when you hepic properly so called, but akwai say we should another avenue a kai de no so betimi atetete. We de need chewa, we de need chewa. So now the nipa 5 ka. Na me nu de chewa. Anya me sa peda anaka.
Okay.
We are juma kakra na on friend to ai. Nti ya sa na tie fine ya postpone ade no till March. February we will be na 24. Aka 4 days na ewu. After March na ba. Okay. Na ya say oba kwa dwaye na ocha. Enye se bi a che na wache o. Na o mu sisi no yi. Nti we ne ye hwe ne ye nkrata ni ye ni ade se be ya ye call ya na the good news dey. Eba. Na wo pepre wo hutu mampamrika na wo kwantem na ye dey na wantimi afa ma na fa so be no.
Okay.
E mo to obu ase na wutumi kɔ at appropriate time a afa wo beba no na kasa na sesa kokubu ahen ba metena me kase na biu me das.
So be das. Menye we emra me kan o message. E ba ise. Eti amanfo message say abode aba so enima me ready be na ni abeja for erape up. We say Ghanaians now have become more wiser. They don't want people who would speak without evidence. Ampofo Stephen and anyway ebai. Ghanaians are much disappointed in this current Nana Addo-led government. They have scammed all Ghanaians with sloganeering policies, which they couldn't fulfill. MPP never again. Enoch Tetekwame Edwefi Asamankese Ena Onosode Ebai. No more NDC doom so again. Regards to Honorable Valentino Ninoy, incoming MP for Clote Kole constituency. Ko Mensa Edwefi Pillar 2 and also Ede Ebai. I can see the cost of borrowing became very expensive under the supervision of John Dramani Mahama because interest rate at which the bank borrowed money from the Bank of Ghana was very high. 26% in 2015 and 25.5% in 2016. This implied that people could not afford to take loans as interest rates were very high and that jobs were not created. That under John Mahama, Ghana had one of its highest inflation rate of 17.7% in 2015. Francis Ansan Edwe Efri Ekumfi and also Ede Ebai. NPP has been able to sustain Ghana in all these hard times. I believe credit should be given to the NPP than condemning blindly. Ghana is in difficult times and now, but I believe no Ghanaian will challenge the assertion that we are not in normal times. Teacher Kujo Edwe Efri Tepa and Su and also Ede Ebai. I could say good morning. Please, can Kwaku Buayen kindly give us one social intervention NDC has given to Ghanaians? Emmanuel Esa Nyama as message, I don't know. We see offense here, tell Kwaku Buayen that he should stop saying Mahama Ba. Which Mahama again? Kwaku, Ghanaians are not ready to bring back John Mahama again. With a bad records of Dumso, Bush Bars branding, Sada, Jida, and Confirm, and the rest. Stephen Etiahine, and so also Edibai and Kwaku. Okay.
And that's Adomako.
Okay.
A friend of Kion, na home far a ding de Kion, or Kanakwe South.
Okay.
Or call MP or my brantian, no Cassay.
Kanakwe South here.
A of
Patrick Guama,
the more there be a yo. A Newman.
Okay.
There's a whole winner, where they are.
A brantian,
or Kanakwe South.
Yes.
Okay.
Newman. No better to
my mamma Cassay. No Cassay, or the part of his cacaca, my party.
Okay.
What talk, sir, care, ye be our machines here, Gumwa, or the num constituency when you know the way I almost see a lino, or men this I corner constituency. What are the pickup of what you are? Almost usual branding when you know, call constituency more, the banners bobo baby. It's a more ducacra.
Okay.
Here will be penetrating. Almost a chicken man, Abosaka can walk a you want, no, you North Canadian. Abosan, only be brave war constituency. Upon home day, will be penetrating.
Into one among the two.
your bomb prices with me in the primary.
Okay, it's any through primary.
Obey seat na mendisi.
Okay.
Because of fair and Nigia abba. You know, cause a book so crowd or 10 with schools or co primary schedule. Schools will be away be with tables on.
Schools are winning.
Schools are winning. Or side or side of this is football, no, the best schools in or side school at the Empu. I'm a quality be brave.
And not and it is
brand here, no. Let's say, Utumi who said, Senyameboa. No,
what school Ontario ma
or start our year or be.
Oh, I feel no baby.
Yeah, but books in the go to our year.
Books in the watch, but school Tarina Fena or watch for government schools.
Yes, we call beer when this school. What would say, and crying be or school Tardiano. I had that eventually into yes, I
just books watch schools bay. Say,
baby. Wachebi pa. Me kwa me lead no ba koma or the call baby.
Tibuko school be.
Oh, me new schools in the day.
One kind of head.
Okay. But all go so our year.
Okay.
Me did say lenya me pa obi departing anymore.
Okay.
But to me, but party office na there waje about 75,000 Ghana cedis. My party no omo I start meeting so. Me did say be there anymore. Mr. Ken Nyame no ejuma pa wo ye that sit no dey akoma so won say to me je baby Teresa how many Teresa ho Ahmed ho no
yeah
oh you can quit enough
yeah I think so
oh you can quit enough no difference there about 18,000
okay
and so you to win the first half and then one say can quit out
mo kwa kwaji no so account
e be je no account
okay
odo ko nso area ho nso no
okay
be kuma ho no nso no ho so ye ho adwuma ho nso be sa age
mo baji ho no so
e wo so ye kwamna bates ho no ne ba no ye ho adwuma gidi
shila bates ho no
yes ye ho adwuma
enso baji sai city so
bomb pie sai city me no we no you betumi age afro mo sam
na mo take total control of Greater Accra in 2024
yeah age afro mo sam ya age afro mo sam by age no mo
okay
and with the kind of personalities e do mo ba no you sure say enyame pa e betumi aye
CID yango
kwesi
mama nka sama ta
na na wo kan na dey ya ma time say fa ye ya wazi ye beda was say mobile sa kunya ne the last words miniano mabuna ye wo party no kwesi ye wo social media no so ne ma bi wo ha ye nyina ye ho ya say ye hyeche ye ho we a ne we nam bia sisi utwa ketre maria onwe nam bia yinya wotre
okay
na akomamrafo
ye MPP party nim
bese minuano mebuna no more platforms
okay
ye ma social media go nyama bi wa ye twere no see social media no it never forgets computer we are there be yi abadache so wachina say na okosi na akotwere we na say no say we wo ha ya bitimi hia say bitimi di ho komo dan say bia o ma so na you akotwere o social media na ochina na no de asema ba dan say nyuntuni kidi then say bi o twetwe da na yi ba timi to na mekenkan bia am so na social media is say net bi on obi wo nim say sanity nti ya ye twere ade a enye very careful with the ye twere e fa ye nua bi ho ana say e fa asem bi ho the meeting
yes we were specific gophobia self to we kwade amom
oh muni wo kra so fa bi afutu e wo so ka ho why na mu so twetwe ne ma bi na ya ma yo say nyina ka
last year
we ni last year bi
and then na ye nuanom no be pick am form so no
okay
and then na obi opeso gina MP and as a presidential bia and then na date near day
eso
and to be bia o petro pick no ye MP boa NDC yesremo mo fa koma pa no odo na mko peke they say Ghana for so free na ye betumi awe ni so a esen kabo mu ente na nyina ye ku say this nke nyina nkabo mu ni John Dramani mama excellence lete no meji tumi na mo aye
emfa
me ye sure say Ghana for bibreti ye nkofo a omo aboa akogye ni forms ma no nyina ye do mase ye chairman papa general say no ketia na menka no ho ni general secretary so it's a security I mean, come in this independent na my boss, the leader, or parliament, at of force, doctor, or Badwam, and never do the electoral commission after in perspective. Electoral commission is what Johnny. I feel the I feel the baby or channel oh yin ho adi aba
okay
ne CI no de ba no ompeu
mbabo to
ye be pato
kwasi minya ba
Ghana card nko a
ene be
Ghana card event aba wo
akosi brichu
okay
oye SEPS officer
yeah
ewo tema haba ene na woda nti why memo awoda pa Real Madrid ni no mo she trobia on say the Real Madrid di Liverpool no sana MPP
But I say, okay, we say Akwasi, very good morning to Augustine and Koma of Golden Star. What's up, mine? And your birthday, happy birthday. And call from every Ochame, your what newsroom. But I didn't say, check as you come out for Santiman
City Cobord.
So, and Babenchia Santiman MC.
Oh, I don't know. But I'm for the chairman for my
see us straight after your quack, you be war. Asantema Point, I didn't pack on them.
Me krum hinen so mamentia me krum hinen na tabro bonsu.
Okay.
Awo Kwalebu oye administrator o na oben Adom TV.
Okay.
Ono so nana baby a wo bia.
Me need Akwasi say na second come production team Dominic Kisi Yeboa da che hine. Na asante Thema so a couple. Ani adwanu ka ho nyina. Sandra a couple bo nyina. Yeah, that was Nyagopo Asia bo nyina. Adwa na o man hine kwabra asante do obedi ahia kai say asemi dika ebeba more revelations on the way. Background.